ladies and gentlemen. And this is StockTiger coming to you, the Globex ASIA. Hello. How's it going, everyone? All right, guys, can you hear me? All right, great, guys. Thank you so much, everybody, for being here today. Globex ASIA to start in about 13 more minutes, guys. I hope you all had a great weekend. It's time to make some money. It's time to bank some profits. It's time to make good trades. We're gonna have a long week, guys. A long week, a lot of stuff going on right now. Ooh, baby. All right, so I did request another payout today. I did request a payout today. I will show it to you, my fellow traders, right now. Right here you go. From funding ticks 890, and I've got another account right now that I'm going to be trading today. So I need just $150 more to request another payout with funding ticks. Today's obviously this first trading session of the month and of the week as well, so I look forward to that. We got funding ticks that I'm going to try and trade today, close it with $150 in profit, and I've got to trade a top step as well for another $150 to request yet another payout tonight, guys. Tonight we are going to go ahead and request a payout tonight, but first thing first, let's not get too in front of stuff. $150, this is what I need for top step. All right, so we'll see how it goes. Good afternoon, everybody. Sergio in the house. Pro Trader, what up, man? S Futures, James, Devil Game, G3 TR, what up? Just now, right in the house. All right, Sparkling, what up? A Wisdom of Fear. Hello, gangster. All right, guys, your Discord is expired. I don't know why my Discord keeps getting expired. I have no idea, guys. Why? I try. I have no idea. However, I am still gonna go ahead and share my Discord link. Anyways, Premier, what is up, man? 44, Punisher, Ram, guys, all Devil, Wisdom of Fear, all of you, welcome, guys. Art, yes, what up? Howdy, brother. All right, guys. So yeah, so I did request a payout. I didn't realize their dashboard didn't update, so I wasn't sure. So I thought there's a little bit of a glitch, so I didn't request a payout on Friday. But anyways, I realized that's not the case, and I went ahead and requested a payout this a little bit right before the stream. So we'll go ahead and trade that. Another account on my funding ticks. So we'll start off with the micro, guys. We'll start off the micro. We'll try to scale into my trade because I'm not really sure where this market's gonna go. It looks pretty bearish, but we also got some announcements coming up pretty soon here in about 3 more hours, right? So I think we've got to be extremely careful. I'm gonna place my hard stop tonight. Play with the hard stop, right? I don't want to get knocked out on my trades, especially with trading on funded accounts. So bias today. Yeah, guys, man, it's gonna be hard. I mean, there's no point in really guessing. I mean, me personally, just based on pure technicals, I kind of feel like we get a little bit of a bounce back before we get a pullback. Oh my god, I've got Oh my god, all of these are exited. Oh, hold on one second, guys. I've got to load in again. I don't know why this project X kept logging off. Very annoying. I hate when they do that all the freaking time. But anyways, we'll we gotta move on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back again. There's there. Okay, so everything is rock and rolling. It's all set up here right now. So all we really had to do is now trade. We got 8 more minutes to go for Globex Asia. I'm not really expecting something pretty significant, but I kind of feel like, you know, we get a little bit of a bounce before we get sort of a pullback, right? Let's just move back to like 30 minutes chart here on the, this is my project X right now, but you know, we kind of held a very important level here last week, which was we are still below $26,000, of course, but I kind of feel like we held this level, we held this as well, so it kind of like we're finding some level of support here in this 870 zone, and we kind of got a bounce back into the 980, right? So me personally, I'm kind of thinking, you know, we try to get a bounce back at least into the VWAP, which would be 68. 26,068 is where I kind of feel like we may try to get a bounce. But again, if we get a first initial pullback and we kind of hold this trend line here in that 950, which is right in that level here, then I think we get a bounce as well. So we'll keep an eye on this market. Initial bias is to the upside for me, but of course we're gonna have to take a look at the technicals. We'll take a look at the market and see how it goes. All right, so we kind of held, so let's see how it goes right at the open. So where's my another chart? We'll try to, let's try to trade micro on my top step. Let's just start the day with the top step express account. I just need 150 bucks, so we'll try to make something out of this right now. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are trading. All the best, and I hope all of you had a great weekend too. What is up, Bowser? John 2025. Happy Sunday, everybody. Great to see y'all. I had a pretty bad dream this morning, so I wanna be careful. I want to be careful in how I trade this whole week. We'll see how it goes today, okay? If I'm super duper in green, then I could kind of like try to scale into my trades a little more aggressively. But for right now, I better have a slow start to the day. Okay, so here I am, guys. The market's about to pop. We got 5. Oh well, we still have 5 more minutes. Anyways, how was everybody's weekend, guys? Don't tell me that any one of you had a bad trading week to close the month, October. I hope all of you had a great October. Did you? I know a lot of you did, because I can see your payouts on our Discord. Micro better, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna start the day with micro, but you guys know, we'll see. The daytime's changed, so we kind of saved another like an hour or so. And I don't know how that's going to really affect the day, the market. All right. So we'll try to make $150 on this top step, and I'm going to go ahead and request the payout the same time today, guys. Let's see if we can let's see if we get it today. I wonder if I have to trade NQ, but you know, because we don't know how it's gonna open, right? So we'll take a step with micro. That's my initial response to this market. So last week was light green. Oh, hey, light green is still green. So anybody had a bad week last week? Can you do the payout request live? I could, but I mean, there's maybe a lot of personal information, right? So I don't want to And I don't know what the rule is to kind of show, like, I don't know. I'll take a look. If I let's first get $150 and then go ahead and I'll let you know if I can do that. So I think the first thing first, let's try to make 150 bucks. If I can't, then it's not gonna be good. It's not gonna be good. All right, so market about to start. Oh, this is getting very exciting. Now I wonder how it's gonna be. We had a really tough time. We had a big, massive sell-off, right? From that 116 all the way down into the 977. We kind of lost over 140 points right before the close. So we literally gave back all the gains we had in the market, right? The earnings. I don't know how it's gonna open, but looks like a pump. Yeah, we'll see. All right, few more minutes, guys. Yeah, I'm kind of look. You know, somebody asked me just make a guess. I'm not making a guess. I'm kind of looking at the chart and I'm kind of going, okay, well, we could see a little bit of a bounce back into the 50s, right? But again, never know how it's going to open. We'll see. And I've also got the Tradify Grand Cup running as well at the same time. So we'll see how that goes. I don't know if I want to YOLO. I may not even trade that account at all. Again, my primary focus is not the tournaments. My primary focus is my payouts, right? So if I get a chance, I'll YOLO, or if I have to be really conservative in my tournament, then I'll try to be as conservative as I can. So we'll see how it goes depending on how the I guess the tournament goes. We'll trade that account, but for now that's definitely not as a priority. So I hope you guys are. Yeah, Justin, right? You know, I think that's a good. I mean, obviously you don't want to expose yourself with loading in accounts, but the backups are really helpful. You know, I've got 4 accounts right now as a backup. Like it's already passed. It's like sitting in. It's not in the dashboard anymore because it's already passed, right? So it's kind of like it's off the dashboard. It's with Take Profit Trader. So as when the time comes, it's gonna be reflected on my dashboard, right, as a pro account. So it really helps because it's like the Take Profit Trader. I think it's really important that we have that continuation of pro accounts kind of rolling in, and not get stuck in that. You know what? If you imagine if you blow the 5 and like you have to restart all over again, it's kind of really hard. Anyways, guys, good afternoon, Michelle. Good afternoon, perfectly, guys. The market is open now. Oh, where's the market, guys? Where is the market? It said the market is open, but I can't see the chart, guys. Oh my God, it's so up there. Holy, everybody. I can't see the chart, even this. Where is it? Where is it? I can't see, man. Are you kidding me? Hold on, let me just scale into my trade.
Order filled.
I don't understand, man. It's still here. It hasn't changed or anything like that, did it? That's weird. All right, guys, one second. Let me just refresh my computer. Sorry, refresh the chart. Is it right here? I'm in a 1 minute chart. It hasn't changed. That's weird. All right, we kind of get to the F side. Hey guys, man, the top step, something's wonky here with top step. Everything seems okay other than this top step. Something's definitely not right about top step. Oh my God, I kind of missed the whole move. Freaking bad boy. Thank you so much, top step. You guys are freaking awesome. Look at this. Oh my God, top step. Damn it! You made my day. I told you guys there's something fishy about this, right? I had a bad dream and I was like, you know what? I better be very, very careful with my trades today. My freaking God. Okay, guys, we are kind of bouncing. Oh, this could be a bounce back into the 60s, man. For all you know. I kind of like this.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh my god, what a nice punch in the face bounce, guys. I like this. I like this. I like it, but it's too late for me. BTC just blasting. Oh dear, I guess the market is kind of expecting some good news out of Trump tonight. Is that what it is? Is Top Step actually working? It's still freaking frozen, man. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to exit this trade. I don't know, man. I think it's frozen. Oh my god, Top Step. You guys are so freaking awesome. I love you guys. All right, everybody. The market trying to get a bounce.
Order filled.
All right, guys. I'm gonna try and scale into my trade now. God, man, that kind of sucks, but oh well. Let's see if we get a pullback here. A little bit of a pullback is what I'm kind of looking for. Let's see. I've got 3 micro right now.
Order submitted.
Pissed me off, man, guys. I mean, is it the whole entire thing? Project X? Oh yeah, it's the Project X, man. Everything is just down. Oh my god, Project X, man, is the #1 platform. #1 platform, Project X. Great, you guys are freaking awesome. I love you guys. Woo, baby. All right, guys. Anyways.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah, it's all Project X. Great. They're so freaking awesome. All right, so here we are, guys. I'm trading my funding ticks funded account. Let's see if we can actually get $100, $150. I need 150, right, in this. So let's see how it goes. I would like to make $150 so I can request the payout tomorrow. Oh my god, Project X. Oh, Project X forgot to code in the date. Oh my god, they're so dumb. Incredible. Incredible, Project X. Yeah, good point, man. Thank you for letting us know. That's freaking awesome. All right, guys, we are kind of chopping now after that little bit of a bounce that we had. Nothing really too crazy. It's like only 0.06, like 14 points bounce in this market. So I don't know if that's really going to make any significant difference. I think we still kind of push up back into the 60s, I think. I think the target is back down, like up here in the 60s. Submitted. Right, so I'm kind of looking for a little bit of a pullback here before we kind of get a bounce. But if he wants to go without me, well, it's good. It looks pretty strong right now. Let's see, guys. I kind of like this. Wow, look at that move.
Order
filled.
Order filled. Order
filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. I'm long. I don't know. I'm gonna step into this long. I'm gonna kind of like look for one more leg to the upside, guys. We'll see how it goes. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'll probably exit my trade at 35. All right. If we get a oh, guys.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Submitted.
All right, guys. I'm already up $150 right now.
Order filled.
Let's just try to make just a little more. Just a little more, guys. All right. StockTiger here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Do not tell me you're gonna get a pullback here now. It's already over. You know you want to bounce. Let's just go. I think I still just a little more. 60, guys. My target. Final target 60 here, guys. Final target 60.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh my god. You've got to be kidding, guys. You've got to be kidding, man. I was up, and now you're getting a little pullback here down. Oh dear. I'm long right now, guys. I'm still long. I'm gonna add.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my god.
Order filled.
Order
submitted. Order submitted.
Oh!
Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order
filled.
Let's go.
Order
Come
filled.
on.
Order
filled.
Order canceled.
Get in there. Oh dear. Let's go.
Order filled.
Woo! Another one, guys.
Order submitted.
160. Should I just exit my trade
Order
right now?
filled.
Order.
Order
I
filled.
could, but I kind of feel like still we got some more move. Some more little juice, guys. In the table, I'm down to 3 contracts now, $200 off,
Order.
and I'm
Order
just about
filled.
to end this.
Order.
I'm
Order
just about to
filled.
end
Order
this.
filled.
195. Let's go, baby. All right, guys. Another $1,000 request a payout coming in tomorrow on this funding ticks account. Thank you so much. I'm out. All right, so I'm done with funding ticks for today. Let's try to move on to something else now. Not this. Let's try to go to. Oh, I've got fund. I loaded some funded next account, by the way. Let's see. The Project X is still down. Incredible, guys. Project X is still down. Incredible. I am so not happy with Project X performance. Oh my god, guys, man. At least our prediction and our technical analysis on how we thought this market is gonna move right at the open was spot on, guys. You guys are number one. Bounce back into the 60, guys. We talked about this. Wow, what an amazing analysis, right? Woo, baby. 60, gotta bounce into the 60. I don't know from here. We could kind of get that continuation, but it really depends. I mean, we got some news coming up from Trump today, right? So, gotta be a little careful and cautious. But I mean, maybe we get a little pullback down, back into I think 50s, maybe. Let's see if that level actually end up holding. I don't know what to trade now. Yeah, let's just trade the funding ticks still. The eval account now. I traded the funding ticks funded account and made a little less than $200, so that's going to be requesting another payout after a big. Obviously, you guys know I requested another payout today, this morning. So this, not this morning, this afternoon. So that's $900. This is after split, right? $890, right? So I requested that today, and then so this is another one that I'm going to be requesting that I made today, $200, right? So we'll see how that goes, baby. Let's go. Yeah, I requested a payout, take profit trader on Friday too. That's kind of late, yeah. Wednesday, I don't know if it's Wednesday though. Yeah, Top Step is definitely slightly behind right now. I don't know what is their problem, but I'm still waiting for mine as well. It's just not here just yet. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna look for a little pullback down and then look to go long. Okay, what a nice start to the day. Obviously, I was looking for a Top Step to kind of roll in, but it's just still not there. Incredible. Wow. Incredible. Anyways, guys, let's try to trade what we have in front of us, the funding ticks account. Let's start to see if I can actually make some good trades. Yeah, Top Step, all the Project X kind of held, kind of stalled right now. Once again, thank you guys for being here today. I hope all of you had a great weekend. And so yeah, funding ticks funded account. I will be requesting a payout because I've made over $150, which is the bare minimum you need to request a payout and to count as a day. So I've traded 4 days on this account right here that I made $195. I'm gonna go ahead and request a payout tomorrow. The Top Step is what I'm kind of like. Okay, wait, I could request a payout tonight live, but the chart's not working, right? So I can't do that. So we'll see how it goes. If Project X come back, then I'll trade the Top Step a little bit later and see if we can request a payout as well at the same time today. It's gonna be a lot of fun, guys. Not on Wednesday. Let me see. I'll let you know when I requested that payout. I also don't have a credit to activate my funded account on my TPT, which I requested. Oh, not requested. That came in on the weekend. I got 3 accounts that I'm still waiting for credit. But anyways, guys, let's see when I requested that. I requested $1,400 of Take Profit Trader withdrawal, and that was on the I think that was Thursday, if I'm not wrong. I think it was Thursday, guys. I cannot be exactly. I think it was Thursday. Yeah, you don't have a credit either. Yeah, I don't have the credit. That's the problem. So I know that they sent me 3 accounts to activate on the weekend, but I'm still waiting for the credit, right? I don't have that right now, so
Order filled.
MRC trades, you don't have the credit either to activate as well. They came in yesterday. I was wondering if anyone had, well, they will get the credit to you. It's just that when, right? Is it gonna be a day or 2? Usually it's about a day, but right now it's been a little longer. So Benjamin, usually you request at night and by the morning. Yes, exactly, Benjamin, but they're kind of a little behind right now, so I don't know what the problem is. But all right, so Project X is gone for the day. Yeah, it almost kind of, it's not going to be an easy fix in my opinion. I don't think so. Friday, yeah, so I requested a payout withdrawal on Friday too for Tech Profit Trader. I still don't have that, so Top Step didn't code it. Okay. Yeah. I don't have my credit either, so I'm still waiting for my credit, guys. Yeah, I'm still waiting for my credit too. I wonder what the Top Step TV is gonna do. Are they actually working or what? I wonder. YouTubers make you want to trade when you know you're not supposed to take a trade. YouTubers make you want to trade when you know you're not supposed to take a trade. That's a trader's discretion. Because we are getting a bounce here, 65. Oh, you're all in on your Tradify account. I don't know. I think it's daytime. I think daytime saving. I guess that's the problem. Yeah, Project X is down for me. It's completely down. I don't even think it's working, to be honest. All my like Top Step, Bulonox, and my Lucid Trader accounts, my Tradify accounts, all down, guys. The only thing that's really working right now is Tradeovate and Rhythmic. Guys, I like this. I like this. Trying to break out right here right now. I kind of like it, but yeah, man.
Order
filled.
Let's see if we can actually hold this now. Man, looks like we may try to go back to the 114, guys. This is definitely looking pretty goody goo. Yeah. Wow. If you're able to trade on Project X, no, I can't. I can't trade on Project X, guys. I can't. It's not working. Tradeovate has never let you down. Yeah, I mean, well. All right, I've got 5 micro contracts right now, so I'm gonna try and hold on to this. If you get a pullback, I'll try to add to my position unless you break it to the downside pretty aggressively, right? So we'll see, guys, how it goes. Maybe let's see if we. Okay, guys, we are getting a little pullback here. Let me just try that. Oh,
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
I pressed the wrong button.
Order
filled.
Oh my god, I pressed the wrong button.
Order
All right.
Order filled.
It's fine. Tradeovate has never let you down. Yeah. Alright, guys, let me just exit this trade right now. Let me just exit this trade. Let me just exit this trade and see how it goes. Just 1 second, guys.
Order
let's
submitted.
try to.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm kind of expecting
Order
a little bit of a
submitted.
pullback, to be honest, but we'll see. Yeah, Tradeovate. Well, we also had Tradeovate issue before, but it's not at this scale. the kind of a Project X is broken. It gets broken too often now. Now it's become very regular. It's become very habitual, right? But again, not that Tradeovate has never been too disappointing. They've also got into some problems before in the past, but I don't trust anything. Not even TradeOvate, to be honest, man. You get into some ghost trades too in TradeOvate sometimes, but I mean, it's definitely better than Project X for now. I'm not happy with the way stuff is going on with the Project X, but things have become a lot worse, and it's troubling because I've got a lot of firms that I'm kind of trading right now off the Project X, and that's mind-boggling me. So we'll see. Right, so we'll see, guys. We're getting a little bounce back up again. I'm kind of looking for a little pullback here. I don't know if we're gonna get any kind of a meaningful pullback, just based on what we see right now. I need one more flush down to kind of go long, but just not getting any of that. So we'll see.
Submitted.
I'm gonna try and stay a little patient for now. Stay a little patient, guys, and look for that little pullback here down. Thank you guys for being here. You wonder how many people joined the Tradified Grand Cup? Probably a lot. But I mean, I joined because I wanna be able to participate in a couple of tournaments in the month of November. But it's just not gonna be my priority, right? It doesn't really matter whether I do well or not. But I still want to be in the game. We'll see. And depending on how everybody does, I probably end up YOLOing, or I probably end up going very slow grind. We'll see. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Anyways, guys, my priority is obviously my accounts, my funded accounts, and of course my accounts to trade, because at the end of the day, that's the payout, right? So, and that's what I need. I really want this Project X to work, man. I am so disappointed at this, guys. I really wanted to have my my, what do you call this? I wanted to get my payout request done today, and that's not small amount, right? If you just think about it, that's not a small amount right here, right? So that's I mean, we already had 4 trades, 4 days of trading. And I just need one more trading right now. That's going to be, I don't know if it's $150, and I'm going to go ahead and request a payout today. So that's going to be a little less than maybe, I don't know, $2,300. So we'll see, guys, how it goes. It's going to be fun. I hope the project actually end up working today. We'll be ready at 7, really? Is that what they're saying? Oh my god. Guys, we're getting a nice beautiful bounce and nice beautiful hold every time we try to pull back here, so I don't know, man. And this is definitely getting very interesting, guys. Oh my god. What a bounce. Alright, guys, I may have to, oh, man. Alright, I'm still waiting for a little pullback here, guys. I'm not gonna chase this bad boy, right? Let's try to see if they can actually fake the bulls. Try to flush it down and get a V-shape bounce. Okay? Just be patient. You too impatient sometimes. Yeah, sometimes I'm impatient. Yeah, I agree. Short it. I don't know if I want to short this market right now, guys, man. It's just not, does not look like a shorting. I don't know, I may be wrong, but I kind of prefer to go long on a pullback. We got some Trump announcements coming in tonight. I don't know what that's gonna be. Does anybody know what it's gonna be? Oh yeah, by the way, guys, we got I've got a giveaway announcements I've got to make today, right? That's based on the comments, on my video, right? So if you go check out the giveaway tab, right, there's that video. Click on that video and go ahead and post whatever comment you guys want, and that's going to give you that chance to participate on the giveaway that I'm going to be doing here today. I'll call out the winner live, so we'll see how that goes. But anyways, guys, that's the video link that I've got right now. Okay. All right, so since the Project X is down, are they going to give us free accounts? Are we going to get free accounts? Oh, Massimo. Oh my God, man. The YouTube username, very difficult names I've got to pronounce. But anyways, I'll try my level best, guys. If I'm not pronouncing it right, let me know. Massimiliano Bellucci. Wow, that sounds very Italian. Anyways, hey, Tiger, attention. Lucid Trading just sent an email reporting Project X is down, at least on Lucid Trading. Yeah, everything is down. Did you see the My Funded Core account? No, I have not seen it. I don't really care about My Funded Futures. I don't care about them. I don't care. No, I just want to make sure. Where's that giveaway here? Let's just make sure. Where's that video link? I'm going to use that video link to download the comments, right? All right, so we are getting a little bit of a pullback here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys, we are getting some nasty pullback here. Holy, guys, down about 20 points right from the high.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
All right, guys,
submitted.
I am gonna still try to go long here on a pullback, so we'll see how it goes. Why does Project X always go down, Michelle? That's the question. You should be asking DT, not me.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys, we are getting that pullback here, guys. Holy. Let's see if we hold now, guys. Oh yeah, maybe we could be
Order
holding
filled.
this.
Order filled.
Let's see. I don't know, man. I kind of like
Order.
this.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
As much as I would love to go long, we have to hold this level now. All right, guys. We kind of respected that trend line, so let's see how we see the response here now in this market. Let's see if we hold this 61. This obviously was a prior level of resistance. We kind of broke out, but then we kind of faded back down. So
Order submitted. Order submit. Order sub. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
is Top Step not working? Yeah, Top Step's not working. It's down. We have 23 comments, right? We have 23 comments on my video.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, we got 23 comments, so we still have some ways to go. Oh my god, are we getting a pullback here? All right, guys, I'm gonna have to step in a little more aggressively to kind of like this price action so far. It's horrible. Somebody asked me, did you like the Apex offer? Well, look, you know, every time I call out an offer, I'm gonna let you guys know what I feel, right? I'm not just gonna go ahead and say, okay, wow, it's the best thing in the world. I can't do that, you know. I'm gonna let you know what my personal feeling is. Personally, I don't really like it as much. The fact that the upfront eval is kind of pretty high, but again, I mean, every trader is gonna have a different objective and different goals, right? So, but I think a lot of traders still like to know how I kind of feel about those offers, right? So I still like Funding Ticks the best with their offer. I don't know if that still exists now. Probably it's gone. But even Lucid Trader account with $74 all in, that seems to be a decent offer so far. The Funding Ticks is obviously the best one we have in town, but that may be gone. I don't know. Apex 70% off. I don't know how much you're gonna end up paying. Maybe you pay about I didn't do the math, so I don't know. Probably end up paying about 60-70 bucks, I think. Maybe, or maybe a little more. Maybe about 50 bucks, and then 50 bucks plus an activation. Yeah, activation is like 40 bucks, right? 40 or 45. But yet again, I mean, your upfront is pretty high, so I don't know, man. I don't know. Like, if you have confidence that you could actually end up passing all of that, but you're gonna have to take time in order to not fail any of those evals, right? Because if you're trying to pass those in one day, you're gonna lose a lot of evals, right? So that's where the catch is, right? Tiger, you just added a comment on your video. Thanks, man. Massimo, thank you, brother. Thank you. So yeah, just I probably end up calling. I'm gonna wait for more comments to come in, and then I'll probably end up calling out the winner right before the Tokyo opens. Okay. On Top Step is working now, guys. Top Step TV went down suddenly. Yeah. The cost of eval is slightly high. Yeah. I mean, yeah. Top Step TV is down, really. Why they down? Is it because the Project X is down?
Order filled.
All right, guys, we are getting a pullback here, and the Project X is still down. I can see that. Yeah, it's not moving at all right now. So,
Order
all right, guys,
canceled.
we are getting a curl back down. We actually broke underneath a very important key level, right? So we are down back into the 50. Let's see if we hold this mid-level here. 44 is that 50% retracement right off that open. So 44, a 50% retracement. Let's see if we actually end up holding this. Let's see. I'm gonna try and add some more here right now.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right,
Order
guys,
filled.
I've
Order
added
filled.
more. All right, so I've added now. My average here is at 58, guys. 58 is my
Order
average.
submitted. Order submitted.
I'm gonna look
Order
for a
submitted.
retest of the 76, guys. We'll see if we get it, everybody. And my exit here will be at somewhere in that 40. Okay, 40 is my probably where I'm gonna exit this trade. Just in case we get a pullback here down.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, I've got a lot of contracts right now. I'm kind of oversized,
Order
but I mean,
submitted.
by the
Order
way, this
submitted.
is an eval account that I'm trading, so.
Order submitted. Order
All
submitted.
right, so I've got a lot of TP limit orders in place right now in that 60 zone. So let's see how it goes now. Let's see if we get a hold. If we can have a nice little push back up again into the 65, I think this is gonna look a lot better. You're betting it goes down and fill that gap? Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. Me, you know, we could do both, but that's what, you know, if we pulls back underneath where the 40 is, I'm probably gonna exit my trade. Right down here, right? I'll probably end up exiting my trade. We'll see how it goes. I mean, we get a pullback back into the 40s. I'm out. It looks like we're kind of getting rejection, but we'll see, guys. We're still respecting, so until he does, I'm gonna have to just stick to my trade right now. But I'm also gonna quickly take peel my profits off the table on a quick bounce
Order
back up
filled.
Order
again.
filled. Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order filled.
Oh my god. Oh my Lulu, guys. All the comments. Oh my
Order
god,
filled.
look at
Order
this guy,
filled.
Mochaccino. Holy moly. Incredible molly juicy bounce.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
All right,
submitted.
guys, I'm gonna take some more
Order
off.
filled.
I'm down to 8 now, so I mean that's
Order
good.
filled.
I'm down to 8. Not a bad trade, guys. Not a bad trade. Wow.
Order submitted.
StockTiger
submitted.
making a move here. Holy. All right, guys. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are trading today. Be safe. We got this big fat resistance here at 72. So really kind of struggling to get above that level now, as you guys can see on the left hand side on a 1 minute, sorry, not 1 minute. This is 150 ticks chart on the left hand side, and of course 15 minutes chart on the right hand side. We're hitting that resistance there in that 15 minutes chart, as you guys can see. We got to get above this 70, guys. If we can't do that, then I think we're in deep
Order
trouble.
filled.
StockTiger, it's moving the market, guys. Incredible. Push it. Tiger, what PROPFIRM are you trading right now? I'm trading funding ticks. Funding ticks, everybody. FUNDING TICKS.
Order filled.
No, I didn't do anything. I just converted back to the 150 ticks, and that's it. But you know, when you guys are trading funding, when you guys are trading the tick chart, it's tough, man. It's not easy. I'll be honest, man, because you gotta be really, I don't know what's the word to kind of use. Discipline. I don't know. Like, you can't just get out and get in just because the market is kind of like moving so much up and down because you're using 150 ticks, right? It looks like it's dumping, but it's really not. But that's why you got to have like a 15 minutes chart on the right hand side, or it could even be a 30 minutes chart as well, depending on how much you kind of feel comfortable, right? But I always have to have like a little bit longer time frame chart on the right hand side or right next to my tick chart, because if I don't, then I will make a lot of
Order
mistakes.
filled.
All right, guys, that's a nice little trade that I have, right? I go five contracts now. We'll see how it goes. So far, hey man, it's a fun night so far. I wish I was able to trade my top step.
Order filled.
Oh my mochaccino, guys! What a bounce, guys! We are ripping your face off here right now. We are getting above this. I think the next level is gonna be that 92, guys. If we keep holding, then I think we go all the way back into the 90, guys. 90. We are 90, guys. Here, this is the one. I do that level there. If we hold this, then I think we go all the way up back again. And it certainly looks like it wants to do that, but again, never know what this market's trying to do. I did not take a look at the gold chart. I don't know. I have no idea. I mean, don't get me wrong, guys. I'm gonna still trade time to time, but I'm gonna have to be very, very disciplined and not like get into gold trade just like that. You know, I can't do that anymore. We're now in November. I better get my stuff together. In a way, I trade gold because I had enough of gold. You guys know, right? I've just given back too many trades and too many profits, too many accounts to gold, which obviously it's a huge mistake. I should have never done it. But anyways, I know a lot of you guys make a lot of profits, a lot of great trades trading gold, but you know, I will at some point when I really have that conviction in that gold that it's going to either dump so hard or get a big massive bounce, I will try to step in and go very aggressive. You guys know there are times I go really aggressive. You guys know that, right? So you know, that's what I did with NQ the other day, last week, and that's where I made $2,500, right, profit, including my Tradify as well. Right, I made a huge profit on my Tradify too. Right, you guys know that $2,500. I made it there. You know, I made it with Take Profit Trader. Top Step as well there. And that's a monster trade. I took a stab at two mini contracts on Top Step, but I was at 4 mini contracts on the Tradify. So I will do that if I kind of feel like it's the right time to do it. So Trump gonna talk? Is Trump gonna come out and say something today? I thought they will. I thought he will, but I just don't know what he's gonna come out and talk about on a Sunday night, man. Why don't you go have a dinner and relax a little bit? Top step is down. So sad, guys, man. Today was definitely that day at night. I was kind of like really looking forward to requesting another payout with Top Step. Of course, you guys know I ended up requesting a payout with Funding Ticks. Funding Ticks, I requested a payout today. Oh yeah, Lucid said 45% will be extended by 24 hours. Okay, guys, man. Knowledge Michelle is saying, thank you, Knowledge, by the way, for your support, man, for sharing all this information in so timely manner. Lucid said 45% sale will be extended for another 24 hours on a 50K account, which is great, which is really, really great. And by the way, I wanted to show you guys my payout that I've requested today. This $890 on Funding Ticks. And you know, I'm going to be requesting another $1,000 on my funded account on my Funding Ticks tomorrow morning. So that's going to be a great start for the month of November, guys. Wow. Lots of payouts incoming. We'll exit that trade, guys. We'll exit that trade. We kind of got a resistance off that 88. Let's see if we get a little pullback down before we kind of try to get another leg to the upside. I exited that trade, guys. That's the first initial pullback here from 88. So see, maybe you get a pullback down into the 70s before we kind of try to get a bounce, or maybe try to get a footing. So today I'm going to try long on a pullbacks, right? Instead of trying to short on a bounce. Okay, and that's definitely my intention coming into today. Like, we just take a look from a larger time frame and draw a little trend line here. We literally broke out, right? We literally broke out. That's the that's one, and then we had, so we broke out, and I kind of feel like, you know, we're getting this little pullback here down. Maybe try to retest 70, and that's the EMA support is there as well.
Order submitted.
So I'm gonna place my order right now. Might as well do that, and then ultimate goal would be probably in that 118. Okay, so that's my ultimate goal. So I'm gonna look to try and go low on a pullback here, guys.
Order filled.
Order filled.
And I'm gonna look to keep adding until we kind of hold this 60
Order
here,
submitted.
and maybe into the 55 as well. We'll see how it goes.
Order submitted.
We're kind of oversold, pretty oversold here on a 150 ticks standpoint. Yeah. So here we are. Let's see if we can actually hold this. We got another level to kind of watch. So this is another one that we gotta kind of watch. Yeah, November is gonna be important month. Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, November is gonna be a very, very important month for StockTiger. Absolutely. I loaded some Lucid accounts as well, and of course the Funded Next too. The Funded Next accounts that I bought are all the Halloween offers. So that's the unlimited payout on my legacy. I bought 5. 2 of them are rapid, and 3 of them are legacy. And the legacies are no consistency on a funded account. So that's what I bought. You know, I bought 3 legacy and 2 rapid, and we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna try my level best to pass all of them. I loaded some Lucid as well, so we'll see how it goes, guys. Yeah, you know, honestly, I do, well, I don't necessarily like fair value guess, but I mean, sometimes I do, depending on the time of the day. If that's you know, you gotta, like, don't be too stubborn with one specific kind of like a rule, right? You guys know I use a lot of different you know, indicators. You know, I've got RSI, I've got channel support, resistance, major levels, key levels, and then what, I've got a trend line, I've got RSI, right, volume, VWAP, EMA, lower high, higher low, right? All these are part of my indicators I use all the time. And depending on what sort of a day we are and what sort of a market condition we are in, you know, different indicators become very important, right? So anyways, guys, here we are back in the 80. Let's see if we can actually get a bounce off this level, guys. I still kind of feel like, you know, we get a bounce, but I've got 2 micro now on this trade.
Order canceled.
I've got 2 micro. I had a beautiful entry, but it truly does not mean much because I've only got 2 micro, right? This technically should have been like 2 mini contracts really at this point. What a beautiful bounce off that level, guys, at 72. Incredible. What a big mistake choosing a platform from X. It's still not working. Oh my god, I can't believe that, guys. This is not the kind of a mistake that they can make, honestly speaking. As a major platform, there's no way in the world that it's not acceptable to have this kind of a mistakes, right? This is just not acceptable, man. Like literally everywhere. Tradify, the same thing. Lucid, the same thing. Gulanox, the same idea. And we got TopStep, the same thing, right? So it's, I mean, I'm pretty sure a lot of traders are kind of like using their Project X as a main platform. And to see this market not actually being, to see this platform actually not working right now, you must be like, oh my god, like absolutely pissed. I don't know. Yeah, TopStep is down as well right now, so. TopStep pulled the person giving a live stream on TopStep because people were, oh really? Why? Like, just because everybody's bitching, you shut down the TV? I don't get it, guys. I don't understand that. All right, guys, everybody start bitching now. Come on. Come on. Go ahead and do whatever you guys want to do. Well, let's trader. What up, man? Not everyone start to realize that Project X pissed me off. Oh well, I don't know. Zabak the Midget, what is that? Word is spreading. My fund, the futures and Tradify are now having proper money trouble. What does that mean? Hey man, Zabak the Midget, that's a very important information you just shared. What does that mean? I don't understand. Can somebody translate that? Or is this maybe my English is a problem? I don't know. Gotta have a couple different firms, guys. This is what I said. You gotta diversify. We really have to. I mean, me personally, I am so grateful that I've diversified to too many firms. A lot of firms. I've got like 10 firms I'm kind of trading right now side by side. I'm not saying that's what you have to do, but I think it's definitely way better to not just stick to one firm and kind of diversify. Get familiarize yourself, right? It's just in case something goes wrong with firm A, for example. Twitter is buzzing about word from insider leaking info on my fund futures and Tradify. Yeah, honestly, guys, I don't really care about my fund futures. I don't like them personally. I personally don't like them at all. But I'm also still a bit surprised that trust none of these firms, take what you can and run. Hey, Michelle's made a really good point, guys, and this is what I said. I love diversifying myself. Like I told you, I've got over 10 firms I'm trading right now, man. You see the reason why. If one goes down, I've got another 9 to trade, right? So that's what it's all about. And I'm very grateful and thankful that I'm here where I am with lots of payouts. Very, very profitable. If one goes down, I don't really care. I'm going to move on to the next. We got a lot of firms to trade. Gulanox, we got Lucid, TopStep, Take Profit Trader. Guys, you know what I kind of feel is that I think traders are getting a lot better in trading. And I'll be very honest with you. I just really kind of feel that way right now. I feel a lot of traders are getting better at trading. And there seems to be a lot of competition with the firms, right? Just think about it this way. A year ago, like, things were a lot more expensive. Like the evals and the activations were a lot more expensive, right? Today, if you just take a look, guys, man, Lucid Trader is $75, a little less than that, 72 on a 50K account. Funding takes $60 on a 50K account. It doesn't get any cheaper than that, guys, right? So everybody's coming up with the cheap evals. Everything's getting cheaper, and traders are getting better and better every day. And on top of that, you got this massive competition coming in from across the board. Funded next as well. Funding ticks. Think about it. What else? We got too many. Right? So it's tough. It's tough. Somebody's got to go there. I don't know who that's going to be. But thanks for sharing that information, guys. I really appreciate it. Yeah, make sure if you guys got stuff to take out right now. Who knows what's gonna be tomorrow? Nobody knows, guys. Nobody know you. All right, guys. Anyways, guys, don't forget to smack the like, everybody, if you can. If you guys want to support the stream, guys. I'm also right before the Tokyo, probably pretty close to Tokyo. I'm gonna call out the winner of the comments on that video. Right, so. All right, guys, are we gonna get a pullback here or not? Or we actually got a nice little break out of this trend line. A pivot here at 80. We are kind of holding. We are trying to hold this level, guys. We'll see. We'll see. I think this could be a. We may get a little bit of a flush now to kind of like shake everybody out, and then next thing you know, we get a V-shaped bounce, right? So far, I'm leaning still to the long on the pullbacks. Okay, so I've got 2 contracts now. I've got 2 micro contract. I'm gonna be looking for a pullback down. We'll see how it goes. All right, I'm gonna exit this trade right here, and I'm gonna look for a pullback down.
Order submitted. Order submit. Order submitted.
All right. What a big mistake picking the platform X. Twitter is buzzing a word about insider leaking info on my funded futures. We are going to chop a little bit. Could be. $44, the X Punisher. Call me. What up? Always grinding. We are going to chop a little bit. All right, guys. Oh my God, yeah, we got A1. A1 just YOLO'd one of his Critify account. He's done for the day, A1. If you are here in the YouTube chat, let me know. Congrats on that $800 trade on that Tradify Cub. Nice, man. You're already up. Guess what I'm going to have to do now? I've got a YOLO because if I want to catch up to A1, I've got some work to do here right now. Holy mochaccino, look at that. $3,000. Oh my God. Everybody. Fredo, the #1 day trader with the Pro Plus account, is up $3,000 requested today. Incredible, guys. What a great start to the month. Oh, wow. Fredo, man. Congrats, brother. Yeah, great stuff. Where's my tiger emoji? Get very excited here. With the laser eye. And what else do we have? We got a fire in the hair with the blonde hair right there. Nice stuff, man. Good stuff. Fredo, man. Congrats once again. 3,000. That's a lot of money. Good stuff. I like that, guys. Lots of payouts, lots of PNL, great PNL. We are getting a bounce in this market.
Order canceled.
And damn.
Order cancel. Order canceled.
I'm definitely made a mistake here. Starting the month green. Yeah, man. Great stuff, man. We have a lot of traders starting the month green, including myself, guys. You guys know I requested a payout today. $890 after split. So that's good. What is up, Junior? Junior, not working. Yeah, Project X is down, guys, unfortunately. So if you're using Project X on Villanox, Tradify, or what else on Lucid or Top Step, everything is just literally down, and they are so amazing. Incredible. It's still down right now, guys. Well, maybe, you know what? Maybe it's a good thing. So I don't know. Maybe Just imagine if this market was really difficult and if I was kind of forced to not trade, maybe it's a good thing, you know? It could have been the other way around. It could have been a more difficult day today. The market's choppy right now. The market is definitely a little choppy. I wonder where it's gonna go. I kind of expect a little pullback though right now, right? I kind of expect some kind of a pullback here. And again, if it looks pretty strong though, right? You know, like off the bat, we get to the upside and it's gap and go, right? We kept moving right from that 30, so right from that 12, we kind of got a bounce like over 60 points, guys, over 60 points right now, right at the open. So that's a lot of that's a pretty significant bounce. Just keep in perspective that we are trading the Asian market, right? Globex Asia. We're not in New York yet, and still like 60 points has kind of become a norm now. It's like 60 points in Asia. Oh yeah, that's normal. Wow. Top Step afraid to give you the payout today, guys. Man, I am so freaking pissed, guys. I'm absolutely pissed. Come on, Top Step. You gotta step up here. I need my payout running. I need my payout. So yeah, I mean, yeah, that's like we gotta hold this level now, 85, 86. If we can't hold that and we gotta break it down, then I think we have a little problem. We may get a little bit of a deeper pullback down all the way into the 60s and 70s, right? We can't hold this, and that's the problem. So I guess the Project X will be down through the rest of the night. I don't think is anybody gonna actually work tonight to fix that problem? It's gonna be hard, guys. Yeah, nobody's gonna. Yeah, I don't think anybody's gonna step up to kind of fix that problem today. Being a Sunday night, they're probably having their steak. And the market's kind of slow, slow than I was kind of expecting. So, I mean, slow right now. That's all right. That's a pretty the markets, yeah, it's yet to decide what it wants to do. We are obviously hitting that ceiling now. If you just take a look from a 15-minute chart standpoint, we are obviously hitting that ceiling, right? So we do that level. What a spot on, guys. We do that level. We hit that 95, 93, 94, and we kind of got rejection of that level now. We get pulling back here. I wonder how deep of a pullback we're gonna get from here, right? We could see it maybe pull back into the 80. We really have to hold this 80, guys. That's the EMA support. Once you break it down that level, I think we go all the way back into the 60s, and then we're gonna have to look for a bounce back up from there. Yeah, 60. Trump approval rating is at the lowest ever from the report I read. Don't know if they mean anything. I think that means a lot, to be honest. Once you start to get the crack in the rating, approval rating, I think it's just it depends on how low it is. But if it's the lowest since that could be a little problem. Project X is working right now, everybody. Oh my mochino, guys. Project X is working back again. Wow, they really heard me say stuff. Incredible. Guys, once again, over 300 concurrent viewers. If you guys want to support the stream, please take a few seconds of your time while the Project X is trying to get his stuff together to kind of fix the chart. Please take a few seconds to kind of smash that like if you guys want to support the stream. Thank you so much once again for always being here with us every day, every night at Globex Asia. All right, so anyways, we are back here again. I'm trading my well, let's try to trade. Well, let me see if I'm actually in a trade. I'm not, right? So I'm not in a trade anymore. I've got no open positions. I'm kind of thinking of trading the Project X for now. I kind of like this, guys.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna
Order filled.
I don't know if I did the right thing, but anyways, guys, we'll look to see. Let's see if we get a bounce back here. My risk here will be $200. All right, guys, my risk here is at $200. Let's see if we get a bounce back into. I would say 103 is definitely doable here, guys.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I've got 11 contracts now. Man, this better not disappoint me right now. I'll be freaking pissed if he does it. Oh my god. All right, I'm gonna be risking what again? I'm gonna be risking 240, 330. All right, guys, I'm gonna be risking about 240 here. Let's just stretch it a little more. 250 bucks, okay? So 250 bucks I'm risking to make 154 because that's really all I need, right? So let's see, guys. Let's see if we get a nice little pop here. Nothing really truly meaningful. So just a small little pop if you can. Oh my god, we are getting a nice beautiful pullback now, which is great. Wow. And the account that really matters at the moment. We'll find out if it's gonna wipe the profits here. Don't worry, brother. We'll find out here. If StockTiger is gonna wipe out the profits, we'll find out. Oh my god, I can't believe we are down. Incredible, guys. Are we gonna now get a pullback here? All right, let's try
Order
to.
filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I've got 14 contracts now loaded up. Oh dear. Let's see, 13 contracts now. I'm gonna have to risk about $400 in this trade. If you get a pullback here. We better really hold this now. We better really hold, guys. Let's see, hold this. This is gonna be truly important. Man, that seems like a bit of a ceiling here, short term. On 85. We kind of nailed that 90 and 85 as well. Am I not gonna be able to request a payout today, man? If I ended up shorting this, this would have been 250 bucks trade. Incredible StockTiger. Wow, now that Project X is working, the market's pulling back. The real market move is, it looks like they are trading Project X, I guess, today.
Order filled.
Ah! Oh, I canceled my order. I was like, you know what? Let me just try to step into this plate. Ah, no. All right, I'm not gonna add anything, guys. 15 contract, I think it's a lot. To be very honest, man. Let's see, guys. 15 contract, that's actually quite a lot. So, like I said again, I just need 150. Let's see if we get a little bounce. This could be a tough trade. I tell you that much. Woo, baby. Am I gonna be able to request a payout today? We'll find out, guys. Guys. All right, guys, we are I'm not gonna say anything because you know what? Every time I say something, the market goes against me. So I'm not gonna say anything. I'm gonna keep my mouth shut for now, and we'll wait until we actually get our result, the kind of result that we're looking for. Oh my mochaccino, guys, are we witnessing something real? Are we witnessing something real here, everybody? Still not gonna say anything, guys. You know the drill. Let's just not say anything, everybody. Everybody keep it silent, please. Please. Oh my god. Down. Incredible. What an incredible. Ah. I still didn't see anything. Well, the market's moving, guys. And the market's moving. It's just not moving as much. That doesn't mean that it's not moving. It's still moving. Guys, we got a VWAP here, man, 85, and we are kind of flirting in that level now. So see, yeah, I mean, we could easily get a pullback here too, but I would love to see a little bounce before we get a pullback. You know what I mean? So I really like to, well, yeah, no, I'm not gonna say anything for now. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna keep my mouth shut for a few minutes until we have an actual result come out. Wow, incredible, guys. How hard can this be to get a little bounce? But anyways, keep it silent, everybody. Oh dear. Or the VWAP here 85, man, we are kind of like sitting in that zone. Oh, the market is gonna have to decide what it wants to do now. It's a tight range. We could easily get a pullback here as well, and we could easily get a bounce as well. So overall, though, from a grand scheme of things, I am leaning a little more bullish. But again, oh shit, I shouldn't have said anything. Oh dear.
Order filled.
We'll see, guys. The market's kind of choppy. Maybe I should have just waited a little bit, but it is what it is, guys. Maybe I should have reacted a little later, not now, but I'm already in now, so nothing much I can do, really, to be honest. All I can do is now try to place my limit orders like right in that level now. Guys, I only need, oh guys, man, we are getting a nice little pop here, guys.
Order filled.
Oh my god, guys, I think I've got it. I think I've got it, guys. I think I've got it.
Order filled.
Did I get it, guys? I think I've got it, guys. Everybody, did I get something right now? I still need about, I can't do the math. How much do I need? A little more, a little bit shy.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
140. All right, see, I knew it, man. I'm still short of I think $15 or something like that. Let's see. I still need what, $8 more? Is that what it is? Oh my god, I can't. Oh my god, guys, I still need $80 more. Guys, this is what it's all about, man. We are here trading to take the payouts, to make good trades, and I love it, guys. Just does not get any better than this. No, I can open my mouth. My streaming is not about the show, guys. All right, guys, that's it. Oh my
Order
god.
filled.
I still need one more. How much do I need? 48. Oh my god. 140, 148. Oh my god, guys. I need like $4 more to get this thing going. Where's my calculator? Holy mochino, guys. 126 plus 24. It's 150, exactly 150 right now. Exactly 150, guys. Should I exit this trade right now, guys? Should I exit it straight? Oh my god, I can't believe that. Oh my god. That's what it's all about, guys, man. It's all about the payout. It's all about the trades. We're not trying to make some show on our streaming, you know what I mean? That's not what it's all about. Real trades on real accounts. Getting more and more payouts every day, guys. That's what it's all about here. All right, 26,100. Can we do that? All right, guys. Can I actually exit this trade right now? Can I? I can't even do the math. I kind of feel like I'm over $150 right here. Oh my god, how hard can this be to try to get a little bounce? Not getting a pullback. I don't know if I exit this trade, what is it gonna be? 126 plus $20. Yeah, somebody asked me about Apex again. I mean, all in, I don't know how much you're paying. You're probably paying a little less than $100 all in. If you do the math that way, it kind of feels okay, but you're not gonna pass all your evals in one go, right? You're gonna fail, so that's what the problem is. So if it's $70, sorry, 70% off right now, let's just say you're gonna fail two to pass one. Eventually, it's gonna be the same number, and that's if you take two evals to pass one. You know what I mean? That's if, and that's a big if. Okay, so that's where I'm kind of going, okay, well, is this really worth it? I'm not sure. So a lot of you guys are asking what your personal opinion about this offer, and that's what I'm saying. You know, again, like I said, everybody, when I'm calling out, there's a lot of great offers, by the way, don't get me wrong, but I think it's very important that I give my personal opinion, right, and how it is. I can't just say go loading accounts. I hate doing that, you know what I mean? All right, guys, let's see if we get a little bounce back up again, guys. 126 plus 21, that's 147. Oh yeah, by the way, I've got to change that because I think that offer's gone on the weekend. So yeah, Phidias. Oh no, who's $8? Did you get that from somewhere? I don't know. All right, guys, that's a nice little pop we have. I think I should be able to exit this trade now. Oh my god, guys, are you kidding me? Really? Let's take a look, guys. Am I over $150? I am over $150, but I don't know what it's gonna say on the top step. I'm gonna just take a look, guys. 1 minute. Let's see, guys. Oh my god, guys, I can request the payout. Holy mochaccino. Guys, I can go ahead and request the payout, guys. I'm gonna lock it in right now. Oh, look at that pullback, everybody. Oh my god. Yeah, I can request a payout. Yeah, there's some personal information I don't know if I'm okay to share. I don't know. That's the problem, right? Maybe I'll try. I don't know. Maybe I'll do it very quickly just to kind of like You know what I mean? There's an ID and stuff. I don't know if that's okay. Right here. Right, so profitable days 5 days, and this is the eligible payout. I can't even speak anymore. Eligible payout amount is $2,300, right? So that kind of come in line with this, I guess. So let's take a look and see where we are, guys. Man, we're getting a little pullback here. So if you just take a look here, let's take a look and see what's the total profit that I have, and that's 12. What is that again? 46. $4,600 is total profit. So if you divide that into 2, yeah, that's right, $2,600, right? Yeah, so that's where we are right now. Oh, hold on, what am I doing? Get back again. So the request to payout, right? This is the one. This is how it works on your payout request that you got to do, right? So what was it again? How much was it again? $2,600. I think it's 26, right? $2,600, and you got to check all these boxes. And that's it, really. And yeah, I don't want to share this email here. So that's it. That's what you got to do. And I'm going to request a payout, guys. Okay, that's it. I don't know. How much was it again? 26.16? 23.10. I'll do 23.10, guys. 23.10. All right, guys, I requested a payout now. Wow, man, this is a lot of fun. All right, so what a great start to the month, guys. We all of us, we got a lot of traders really banking hard. So I've got my payout that I've made right now. That's $2,300. So after a split, it's $20.79. So that's $2,000 of payout request that I made on an express account today. And on top of that, we got another one that I requested today, which is the $890. And I've got another one, the funding ticks, that I'm going to have to request a payout as well tomorrow. So we got a lot of payouts rolling in, guys, as we speak. So that's great. And Fred also made $3,000 of payout request as well. So that's good. So me, express account, I just requested $2,300. So I do think they've maybe taken the money out already, if I'm not wrong. All right, guys, the money's already out. I'm only down to $2,300 on this account right here as we speak. So I'm not gonna trade the Top Step account anymore, right? I'm gonna move on to something else, guys. Everybody, let's take a look. We are kind of holding nicely on this NQ. Let's traded that. Let's try to take a look at the gold. What is up with the gold, guys? Gold pulling back here. Should I trade gold? Let's try to. No. I almost made a mistake, man.
Order filled.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna trade gold. Let's see.
Order submitted.
I'm
Order
trading gold,
submitted.
guys. My hard stop is gonna be right above that $39.90. Okay, that's where my hard stop is gonna be. Oh my God, look at this, guys. 6 is not looking good, guys.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right,
Order
guys, I got
filled.
3 contracts on my gold trade as we speak. The market trying to get a bounce, and the gold trying to pull back here. Very interesting. Yeah, the top step was back again a few minutes ago, guys. I traded my top step. I made $150, and I took a payout right now. I took a payout. The money's already out from my balance, so it's not there anymore. All right, guys, we are pulling back in the overall gold, so I wonder how it's gonna be,
Order
guys. Man, the
submitted.
gold pulling back here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I took my profit. We'll see if you can actually get a little more pullback
Order
here. My
submitted.
final target's gonna be at 65.
Order canceled.
Guys, the gold is pulling back. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. Thank you so much, everybody, for doing that. Love it, guys. Great to see y'all back here again. Good stuff, guys. Overall, great day. What a great start to the a new week, a new month as well. I hope all of you are having a great start to the day. So today's the first trading session for the month, for the November, of course. You guys know that, and it's always nice to have a great start to the month. Love it, guys. Love it, guys. Lots of payouts so far, so that's good. I hope all of you are also getting a lot of payouts too, or good trades, you know. All right, the gold, it's weird. It's kind of holding. I'm gonna exit this gold trade, guys. Nothing truly there.
Order
on the gold.
filled.
Now let's just go back to NQ here for a moment. But like, yeah, man, look at this NQ, guys. We are getting a bounce. I think we go all the way into the 120 now. Maybe the initial pullback here, and then probably move back to the 120. Yeah, we're definitely getting a lot of volatility here today, guys. A lot of volatility. Be careful if you guys are trading today. But I think there's going to be a lot of opportunities to trade nicely. I mean, I can't believe we're not even in Tokyo and we're still seeing this market move pretty aggressively. So there's definitely something fishy about this market right now. It's either Pro Trader, what up, man? Gold might find some support. Yeah, that's what I'm kind of thinking. That's why I exited my trade. I exited my gold trade there, guys. MRC trade, search chart, RTS. What is up, man? 39.55 is where this trend line is. Yeah, I'm out of my gold trade. I'm gonna look for a little pullback here in the NQ if I can. Wow, look at this, guys. I'm gonna look for a little pullback in NQ. All right, and then I'll try to go long. Yeah, and then I'll try to go long, guys. Incredible bounce that we are kind of getting out of this market, but so far looking pretty bullish, right? And yeah, I'm just looking for the initial pullback if you can. Maybe a pullback here, back down, I don't know, back into the 100 maybe. And that kind of fall in line with the trend line too, support, right? So I'd like to see a pullback
Order
down to this
submitted.
level. I'm going to
Order
actually place my
submitted.
limit
Order
orders
submitted.
as we speak.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm going to try and scale in as well on that on a pullback here
Order submitted.
if we get a pullback. You can only access dashboard and see the credentials. What does that mean? How do I access the Phidias accounts to trade it? Put that credentials on whichever platform that you're using. If you're using, obviously, oh yeah, I mean, I'm using Quant Tower to trade Phidias. Oh man, guys, by the way, I forgot to load in the Phidias chip accounts. I was trying to, but then that discount was not populating for some reason, and I kind of realized I'm a little bit late, but it's okay. It's okay. But what a volatility, guys, that we are kind of witnessing right now during Globex Asia, and we're not even in Tokyo, so it's a pretty volatile day, right? Pretty volatile day. So we'll see, guys, if we keep moving here or we get some kind of a pullback here down. I'm still looking for a pullback. I don't know if this market's gonna give it to me though. We're already 0.5% up. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. And give me a chance to get into my trade, man, guys. This is not fair. This is absolutely not fair. Oh my god, yeah, I know. Gold is bouncing back, really? Oh, thank god I exited my trade in gold. That would have been a bit of a problem. We are pretty oversold in RSI. Like, take a look at the RSI. We're down in that 30s, right? So gold maybe due for some kind of a small little bounce maybe, but overall though, gold isn't looking that great, right? And gold isn't looking that great, guys. If we can't hold this $4,000, I think we start to get some big flush in gold. So gold is kind of like in that very, very fragile level now, right? Anyways, back to NQ. I'm looking for a little pullback in NQ to try to go long. If you guys are already long and you close your eyes, oh man, I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, a lot of fun here, a lot of price action, a lot of fun. Yeah, the PA today is actually pretty good. It's definitely much better than I was kind of expecting, right? Once again, Lucid Trader accounts, there is an extension on their offer, right? So it's extended for another 24 hours at 45% off, and I've loaded myself a few accounts already, so I've got like 5 accounts with them. And then Apex, again, like I said, Apex is 70% off with $45 activation, which is activation is cheap, but I don't know about the eval. I think the funding ticks is over though. So good luck everybody if you guys are trading.
Order
filled.
And like what Michelle, not Michelle, I think somebody mentioned about there's something smelling about my funded futures, so just be careful. Be careful trading, you know, whichever firms that somebody mentioned on our chat, right?
Order
filled.
I have no idea. Something is floating in the Twitter world, I guess. I'm not sure what it is. I didn't check myself, so I don't know. That's what somebody said. Maybe that could be false. Maybe you guys want to check that by yourself. I don't know. My funded futures has been down since open, really? All right, guys, we're getting a pullback here. $26,000 100.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah, I did load in some accounts with Lucid. I didn't load in anything with Apex though. I got some rebuilds on the Bulanox ones, so we'll see how that goes.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah, just keep in mind the Lucid. I think they're extending their offer, right? So Lucid said 45% off. Right, so there we are. We got some Tokyo is closed today. All right, Tokyo is closed. Gonna get pretty interesting market so far, guys. We're getting a little pullback here. 4 micro. I'm trading 4 micro right now at 26,098, so we'll see how that goes for me. Tokyo, some holiday. I don't know exactly what kind of holiday. Honestly, I don't really care. It doesn't really matter, guys. At the end of the day, who cares if Tokyo is closed? I don't think that's gonna really change anything, to be honest. The market's already moving pretty nicely, right? Think about it. The market's already up like 80 points, actually over 100 points now, without Tokyo. So maybe Tokyo can just go to bed. It's fine. Tokyo, it looks like it's done, I guess, for now. I don't know. I'm with 4 micro right now, guys. I'm long. We'll see if we can actually get maybe a little pullback here down. I don't know. I'm going to place a whole bunch of limited orders. We'll see how it goes, guys.
Order submitted.
I don't even know what this market is trying to do, but I think we're kind of overstretched to the upside. So maybe some kind of a pullback is definitely due, maybe. Michelle Mochaccino. Yeah, there we go. Guys, so far a lot of good trades, right? A lot of good trades. We we took 2 payouts already today, one with funding ticks and one with top steps. So I'll take it. Let me just try to see if I reload. How many comments do we have? We still have only 23 comments, so I may have to go ahead and do calling out the winner here, guys. We actually have 44 comments, so I guess it's not uploading as quickly as I thought it will. So we have 44 comments so far. Yeah, it's not loading right now. Yeah, we got 44 comments, and yeah, it's only loading 23, so we may have to wait, I guess. I'd like to get this bad boy up, but I don't know, man. I don't want this thing to pull back when I'm kind of like really overexposed myself. So I would rather go a little more exposed aggressively when we get a pullback, right?
Order submit. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Good morning. Miller, Flowers, I don't know. Good morning from, I'm assuming you're from Asia. You have no permission to post? I have no idea, brother. I have no idea.
Order canceled.
All right, guys, we're getting a little pullback here, which obviously is kind of expected, right? We're so overstretched to the upside, over 100 points move, so. Wow, that's a beautiful bounce of that level, guys. I don't know. I don't want this thing to just rip and go all the way back into 120. Without me, I need a little piece of this pie. I may want to short this gold with the oh man, yeah, I kind of feel it's a little too late now. With the Tradify. Yeah. Anyways, where's that account? I don't even know which account I'm trading. Oh yeah, I'm trading funding ticks. Okay. The gold, trying to get a balance. Yeah, perfect play. I have no idea, man. Everybody's able to put a comment, so I don't know. Maybe it's your thing. Try to refresh and see what happens. Do you guys think we gotta get a bounce in this gold? We could, right? I mean, we're kind of a bit oversold here, all the way down into the 30s. So I don't know, man. This NQ is just not willing to give up at all right now. NQ is looking pretty solid right at this moment. So. All right, guys, let's see if we get a little pullback here down. Oh yeah, I mean, I was going to try and short gold, by the way, and I was like, kind of better be careful with that because we're kind of a bit overextended. I was taking a look at this other side, and it was like down into the 25s. I was like, you know what, we could get a little bounce in the gold. Are you long gold? Maybe should I try to step in the gold long? Oh man, I'm so nervous to trade gold, but we could try to go long here a little bit, I guess, right?
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm long on gold.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
All right, and I'm gonna the stop on the gold is gonna be in that 70, I guess 70.
Order filled.
Order
70.
filled.
Yeah, small size. Yeah, that's what I'm kind of thinking right now.
Order submitted.
All right, so stop on the gold is right
Order
right down
submitted.
there. I've got 3
Order
contracts
submitted.
right stuck in that 75, 74s. And let's see if we get a little bounce back in the gold.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order
Order
All right, guys,
filled.
I've got 8 contracts in gold, man.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
8 contracts in gold, guys.
Order
Order filled.
order
Order filled.
All right, there we go, guys. Gold moving. Gold is moving. We're pulling back the bearish. Yeah, absolutely agree.
Order filled.
Nice.
order submitted. Order
Order filled.
order
Order filled.
order
Order filled.
order canceled. Order canceled. Order
Order
All right, guys,
filled.
so I'm looking for a little pullback in the NQ. We are kind of like in that 104 into the 110, kind of overextended to the upside. So maybe a little pullback down could be probably a better way to kind of wait for a little pullback before we go long again on NQ. I think gold, we have a little short-term bounce, I guess. Maybe, I guess, I would... Is it going to be like a dead cat bounce? Maybe. Yeah, absolutely. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. If you guys want to
Order
support the
filled.
stream. Do not forget, everybody. Thank you so much, all of you, for always being here every day with us.
order submitted. Order
All right, there we go,
Order
guys.
filled.
I'm finally take profit in the... I don't know.
order
Order
All right,
filled.
guys. My gold. I exited my gold trade, which is great. Now back to the NQ, guys. The NQ, oh, man. I'm looking for NQ a little pullback down into the 80s, guys. Let's see if we get it right now. Let's see. I'm still looking for a pullback here. Let's see. Wow, look at that bounce in the NQ, guys, man. All right, I'm gonna move to NQ. Sorry, I'm gonna move to. Let me just exit all of my trades.
order canceled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go long here,
Order.
whatever.
Order
All
filled.
right, guys, I'm long with the NQ now. Back to NQ trade. Oh well. Hopefully, I don't get screwed on this trade. I'm trading NQ now, not MNQ. All right, so I'm looking for a target back into the 118. We'll see, guys. Who knows what this market's gonna do? Oh man, I'm
Order
still looking for a
submitted.
pullback here, but I don't know. We'll see. This could be a big one, but I mean, hey man, I had no red today. We still traded. We still ended up trading a lot of accounts. We took a payout on Top Step, $2,300, and we took a payout on the funding ticks before split $1,000. And I'm gonna have another funding ticks payout coming in tomorrow, which is another $1,000, man. Lots of payout, guys. Thank you so much for your support, everybody. I love you guys. I hope you guys are also banking, taking payouts. Man, how hard can this be to get a little bounce, man? I really like this, guys, man. I'm looking for a little... God. I don't know what to tell you guys, man. But let me try to add some more.
Order filled.
Oh, dear. I could be in a big red for all you know, but I'm looking for a little breakout, though, right? This could be a momentum play. Now, if we get a dump here, then I'm in trouble, but I kind of like the momentum here on this, but I don't know. I may be chasing two. We'll see. I'm with too many contracts here, guys. I'll take my first take profit here at 114. If we get a bounce back into that level, that's the initial high. And then I'm going to look for a little bit of an extension, a bounce back up again. The 116, 117. All right, guys. Here I am. We'll see what happens now.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah, no, I don't want to. It's definitely very risky. Yeah, I've got to be careful. Yeah, for sure. I still like long, but can we not get a pullback? I mean, it sure does look like it wants to keep going to the moon, but again, wow, but what a struggle, man. This market is just struggling right now. All right, guys, it's now starting to be really slow. I wonder what the gold is doing. The gold is trying to get a bounce, guys, right? Interesting. And that's what I'm really confused. The gold trying to get a bounce, Enki trying to get a bounce. Like, is both gonna get a bounce? You know what I mean? Captain Crunchy, go bigger. Looks like it's a grind to 150. 150. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit that trade.
Order filled.
I don't feel comfortable. We'll exit that trade. We'll look to trade something else now. Yeah, let's try to go long here on the gold here for a second, guys.
Order submitted.
I'm looking to go long in gold. I'm looking for a quick scalp here, 184, guys. Let's see if we get it. I could be screwed on this. Yeah, absolutely. I could be, yeah. My exit here is going to be right below in that 78. Sorry, not 78. In that 76. Because I think we pull back into 76. I think this is going to go, so... I don't trust this. I don't trust gold. But look at this bounce in NQ, guys. What a strong bounce in NQ. Maybe I shouldn't be trading this gold right now. I should be trading NQ. All right, gold trying to get a bounce, NQ trying to get a bounce, both at the same time, guys. Pretty significant. I don't know what's something's got a crack here, right? Something. I don't know what's gonna be. I kind of feel like, you know, we still have some ways to go on the gold to the upside, right? And we're kind of overstretched to the upside on NQ. So maybe a little pullback in NQ and a little bounce in the gold, maybe double. Kind of makes more sense to me than
Order
yeah.
filled.
All right.
filled.
Hey guys, man, it triggered.
Order
My order got
canceled.
triggered. Oh my god, I can't believe that, guys. My order got triggered. And that gold, we just made $400 in that single trade. What was that? Holy, guys. Wow. It keeps coming, baby. Let's go. I like that. All right, we'll move to the next now. All right, definitely not trading gold anymore now, for sure. Oh yeah, hold on guys, I've got to do the, let's take a look and see how many, I still have only 23 guys. I guess I'm gonna have to call this winner tomorrow. I don't know, man, it's just not taking down the winners. Sorry, not the winners. 1 second, let me just try to refresh this and see. Just give me 1 second. I want to redo it again. Refresh and just give me 1 second. Let's see if I can load the comments again. Oh yeah, there we go. I've got 47 comments. All right, I guess I can do it now. If you try to put the comments now, it's too late because it's gonna take time to kind of load in the comments. So I'm gonna go ahead and do. I'm gonna call out the winner now, guys. The top step that I made a request today, right now, like 30 minutes ago, the money's out and the funding is approved. So now all they have to do is get my payout. That's it. All right, so anyways, guys, good luck with the giveaway, the comments. Thanks for all the comments. And I'm going to call out the winner right now, guys. I'm going to refresh one more time. All right, there we go, guys. Good luck, everybody. I will capture the screen on our giveaway section. Tony Kemp. Tony Kemp, guys. Tony Kemp is the winner. I'm gonna have to have you DM me once the streaming is over on a Discord and just verify it's you. All right, good stuff, man. If you guys want, we could do another one right now. This could be a giveaway that I'm gonna do it on our YouTube chat. Just 1 second, guys. Where's the giveaway? Oh, before I do that, congrats to who again? Congrats to Tony Champ. You're gonna have to talk to me once the streaming is over, okay? Just make sure to do that. And because it's a Sunday night and because we got a lot of payouts, let's do a little bit of a celebration. I'm going to do another giveaway. I'll let you guys know right now. And this is going to be an account giveaway, and we'll do it on our YouTube chat, okay? And I'll do an Apex account. Oh, that's this is in seconds or what now? Value in minutes, so 60 minutes, 30 minutes. What is going on here? I can't do that for some reason. Just 1 second, guys. I'm trying to set this up. All right, guys. We got an Apex account giveaway now. Go ahead and type in per the instruction that we got here, Streamlab, and let's get it done, guys. Good luck, everybody. You're gonna get 1 ticket for each. Good luck, everybody. So the first giveaway that we did, I forgot I forgot the winner's name. Yeah, Tony Champ is gonna have to DM me on our Discord. That's one. And now we're gonna be trading some more while you guys are typing in the market is dead. Well, the market's still alive. It's just a little slow. That's it. Oh yeah, I'm extremely grateful, of course, right? Extremely grateful that so Project X is restored, and that's what they're saying. All right, guys, we're getting a little pullback here, which is I kind of expected, to be honest. But 1 second, guys. There's something I've got to do. I completely forgot what it was. One at a time. Man, I'm getting really confused. Oh yeah, there's something I'm supposed to do. 1 second. Yeah. There you go. Just give me 1 minute, guys. I'm trying to get something done. All right, so Tony Banking, congrats once again for being a winner on our first giveaway, and we got the second giveaway up and running right now. Good luck as well, everybody. And this is gonna be another Apex account giveaway. So that's an immediate bounce. I don't know, man. So far it's kind of like, well, I don't know. I'm not sure what this is gonna go. Man, I kind of like it to the upside right now on this. Let's take a look at the gold, guys. Gold pulling back. Oh my god, everybody. Let's try to, oh, man, let's try to show this gold.
Order filled.
Order
Order
I don't know,
filled.
maybe I'm on the wrong side on gold.
Order filled.
I really don't want to be on the wrong side. I kind of feel like, you know, we got some more pullback here on gold, but oh my god, look at this gold, man. Never disappointing. It does funky stuff like this.
Order
filled.
Yeah, I don't think I can add any more than 7 contracts in this gold trade, guys. The gold, I have no idea what this gold is trying to do, to be honest. But yeah, gotta be careful in the gold. I've got 7 micro contracts in this gold now, so
Order submitted. Order
Order filled. Order filled. Order
all
filled.
right, guys,
Order
down to
submitted.
4 now.
Order
Order
Down to
filled.
2.
Order submitted.
Well, not really made anything in the stupid gold.
Order
Order
I'm exiting
filled.
my trade on gold. Oh my god, NQs just keep moving. I don't know what to do with this NQ, guys. What to do with the NQ? Holy guys, the NQ is ripping. What a monster. Features Point Hunter, what is going on, brother? Mr. Longshot, Captain Crunchy, Gringo, Diablo, what is going on, man? You're not sure why you're looking at it for a trade. NQ isn't doing anything. Oh, NQ is moving. Definitely moving, bro. And NQ is definitely very disappointed with your comment, Gringo. Not gonna dump, thanks to Gringo. Simple, abandoned. Monica just isn't right in the house. Anyways, guys, Trace. All right, guys. Are we gonna get a pullback in NQ? Well, we could, but look at this gold, man. I think this gold is kind of like what I'm worried is this gold could move either ways. You're afraid to trade Asia, too slow for you. Yeah, I mean. That's why NQ has, well, not NQ, Asian market has to be a little bit sort of a, you know, very conservative in your trading with Asia. It's not easy. But anyways, guys, we're having a lot of fun here, right? We're banking, I'm just extremely happy that we got some payouts, guys, going today. And we got some giveaways as well happening as we speak. I cannot ask for anything more, guys. It's we had a, you know, obviously you guys had a great weekend. Me too, I had a great weekend too. And yeah, we look for making November month a great again. I hope you guys, all of you guys, are ready to kick the market. We got another 30 days to trade for November, guys. 30, or maybe a little less. I don't know. Give or take. Oh man, this market's kind of choppy right now. Yes, you are right. You are right now. The market is choppy, but I think this market's gonna have to move, right? It's yeah. I mean, yeah, I still think, you know, we bounced back into 160, guys. 150 or 160. Somebody called that. Somebody called 150, to be honest. You know, but eventually, I think we found a way to get a bounce back into 150. Even though we are kind of due for some pullback. Come on, guys, due for some pullback. Why not? Why not? Maybe back into the VWAP, I guess, and then get a V-shaped bounce back into the 150. But somebody called the 150. I think that's a really good analysis. However, can we not get a pullback? I absolutely think we could. So anyways, guys, I took a payout on this top step. I locked it in after making the 150 bucks that I needed, and I requested obviously a payout live in front of my fellow traders. Whoo, baby, $2,300 right there, guys. I love it, guys. It just does not get any better than that. And we are back into trading the funding ticks accounts. We'll see how it goes now. Not a bad Globex Asia, guys. Not a bad day at all. Like, you know, we actually ended up getting a lot, you know, go through a lot of accounts and go through some payouts, which is great. You know, it just does not get any better. A good day, good start to the month, guys. And now we're getting a little pullback here from 121. We hit the ceiling there, getting a little pullback into the 115. Let's see if we actually end up holding this now. Yeah, I've got a lot of accounts I'm gonna trade tomorrow. I don't think the market's gonna give me a lot of opportunity tonight, to be honest. Maybe a couple more trades, but that's pretty much it. And then we're gonna have to look for tomorrow, because tomorrow is gonna be a fun day. I've got to trade a lot of funded next account, funding ticks accounts, listed accounts, Tradify accounts, and what else, man? It's like Top Step. I'm done with Top Step, so it's fine. I've got the payout that I need, so. The Halloween funding ticks promo, I think it's over now. I think it's time to say goodbye for funding ticks offer. That 50% off was sick, man. From what I hear, everybody was kind of like going, okay, well, funding ticks probably had the best offer so far. But the only problem is they only allow you 6 accounts, right? So it's like, whatever. I couldn't load in any accounts because that's all I could do is... you know, guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. Over 330 viewers right now. Show me some love, everybody. Let's smack it. If you guys want to support the stream, thank you so much. We got another giveaway going on right now. Please follow the instruction to get the ticket that you need to be able to participate on the giveaway. We are going to go ahead and call out the winning person as well pretty shortly here in about 10 minutes. And depending on how much love we get, we may do another one. We'll see. Lots of giveaways, everybody. The goal is getting a bounce, guys. Oh my god, you've got to be kidding, guys. I would love to chase this. Love to chase this. And you guys know what happens when I chase it, right? I get smoked. Oh man, this is very juicy, guys. It is so tempting right now, guys. This bounce is so tempting, everybody. I can't even. Oh man. Is anybody going long at this level in gold? Oh my god. I missed it. I missed it. Absolutely missed this. Oh, when is Trump talking? Oh dear. When is it coming out? When is it coming out? Oh yeah, we are getting a pullback in NQ, guys. We talked about this. We said, okay, well, we could get a chance of a pullback in NQ, and we're definitely finally getting that pullback here. Back down into the 100, and the gold trying to rip. Something is smelling here, guys. Something is smelling here. I don't know what Donald Trump is gonna come out and say. You guys, anybody know? Does anybody know what he's gonna come out and talk about? Is he gonna come out and talk about how great the meeting went with Chinese Xi Jinping? Was it at 7:30? Yeah, that's what I kind of feel like. It's well, we still have like about an hour, I guess, for Trump to come out and talk, right? So something about printing money. Something about printing money. US is already printing money every day. Does he have to print more? I wonder what to do, man. I want to kind of short this NQ, to be honest. I kind of feel like this could be a topping short term. Oh my god, but pretty oversold as well, so I'm not sure. What if I try to short this bad boy, guys? I'm gonna try and short this one contract
Order
here
submitted.
right now.
Order
Order
Let's try to
filled.
short this. I don't know.
order submitted.
We'll try to short this bad boy right now and see how it goes, guys. And I'm gonna try and take
Order
my profits
submitted.
off the table at 90 here. All right, I'm gonna have to stay a little patient here. Tokyo's already started. Tokyo's not open today. Say goodbye to Tokyo. We don't need Tokyo at all. The market with this kind of a volatility that we're getting right now, we don't need Tokyo at all, guys. Let's leave Tokyo alone. They're closed anyways. Now let's see if we get a little pullback here in the NQ. Wow, look at this gold, man. I completely missed out on this gold. Yeah, but yeah, I'm not gonna be. Oh my god, the gold. Yeah, it could have been a good trade if I actually entered long. I did enter long, but of course I took my profits a little bit too quick here, I guess. But putting gold aside for now, yeah, the NQ kind of feel like, you know, we got some more pullback here. I don't know. My expectation on this NQ could be a pullback into the 90s, guys. So I'm gonna try and short on a pop here in NQ, and let's see what happens. If you just take a look at the NQ from a bigger time frame, yeah. So if you just take a look at it here, guys, maybe you get a pullback down to the 95s, right before we get some kind of a bounce. Let's try to get this EMAs kind of call back up again into the 95s, I guess. As we get a pullback here, the EMAs are also going to curl back up as well, right? Try to catch up to the price action. No, I'm gonna try and what do you call this? I'm gonna try and short the NQ, but I'm gonna look for a quick scalp though. And if I'm wrong, I will exit probably in the 140s. But I still kind of like that idea of a little pullback in NQ on a bounce back into the 90s, guys. We'll see, guys. Again, I'm not swinging any of my trades. I'm just trying to look to quickly scalp this market. So if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong, I guess, right? And I'll exit my trade in the 140 or 135, somewhere in that range, right? So I guess I'm just gonna place my order right now, but
Order submitted.
and that's where I am right now. Oh yeah, I mean tonight is definitely a pretty successful night, if you will. At least for me, it's a pretty good night overall. I mean, I'm not gonna complain. We got our paycheck, right? That's really all that matters at the end. And yeah, I will definitely be very grateful. Yo, yeah, I just hope the take profit trader actually go ahead and process my withdrawal. Right, I'm still waiting for that $1,400 of payout that I requested I think on Thursday afternoon, but still not processed. So I'm not sure what it is, guys. But kind of noticed a lot of the firms are slowed down a little bit. I don't know why. I don't know what it is. Just make sure, guys. Just make sure to take your payouts as quickly as you can. Yeah. All right, so nice. Wow, ×2 Lucid on the gold vault. Really? You are such a mochaccino. Oh, slacker, man. +2 Lucid on that gold volatility, man. That's a smoking trade. Oh, absolutely, man. Good stuff, man. Great job, brother. Great job. They're running out of petty cash. Next Premier, who are you talking about? Yeah, yeah, I mean, based on my experience so far, like everybody has been slightly slower than usual, right? Like even funding ticks took me a day and a half or two, I guess, but I don't know. All prop firms, yeah, we are beating the house. Yeah, hey man, that's a good thing, right? We all are trading well. We all are getting better at taking more payouts, guys. Right? We'll take as much as we can, guys. Do not forget. Let's kick ass the market. Take everything we can and run away. Woo, baby. Oh yeah, so yeah, the market's kind of chopping here, but I'm definitely looking for that little bit of a pullback here down into the 95, at least 95. So I'd like to see some kind of a maybe you know, like we have this, we try to get a bounce, retest the high, and then maybe get a pullback down into this 95 or 90, I don't know, in that area. So this is what I'm gonna be kind of looking for right now. We'll see if we get it, guys. Maybe not, maybe yes. And if I'm wrong, then I probably exit my trade in the 135 to 180, so 140, right? I already have my stop there, so this is a hard stop right now. Ben Joner up 3,000 on the NQ long after volume profile developed. Oh wow, lots and lots of great traders banking profits here tonight. Tonight was definitely a very clean move to the upside, right? We're above the EMAs, which kind of sucks, but we'll try to get something out of this, guys. Nothing wrong with the chip shorts. Oh yeah, quick short, guys. Scalp the hell out of this market. I don't know, man. Looks pretty strong though. The overall market pretty strong. Now, guys, we just posted a new candle here on a 15-minute chart, and that looks pretty bullish. So I may be in trouble. I may be in trouble. I'm gonna move my. Oh my god.
Order filled.
Order
Guys,
filled.
I've added to my short now.
Order
I don't think I'm
canceled.
gonna add anymore. So yeah, my stop isn't gonna change. I probably have 135 and 140 as my stop. Oh,
Order
looks pretty
canceled.
bullish. Now all of a sudden down about $300. This could be the first red of the day. Who's long again? I'm short right now. Oh my god, it's a long versus the short battle. Sick V-shaped recovery in gold, really? The gold getting a bounce? Holy mochaccino, guys. Look at this bounce in this gold. Are you kidding me? Seriously? Should I try to go long in this gold? Maybe not. I don't know. Yeah. I kind of feel like I'm really chasing this bad boy right now. But what a bounce in the NQ, guys. Sorry, in the gold. If you guys are trading gold, man, that's pretty sick bounce. Oh my god, look at that bounce in gold. Oh my god. This gold is unreal. And you know, it moves really so fast. It doesn't really give you a chance to kind of get into a trade anyways. I'm gonna wait and see how this thing play out. This is definitely getting very, very interesting here today. Let's see what it's gonna do. Is gold and NQ both gonna pump today? But look at this gold though, man. That was an easy peasy 30 points moving gold, like as if nothing really happened. Oh, this is a monster bounce, guys, in gold, and we're gonna have to wait and see how this NQ is gonna kind of shape the market. Oh my god, did somebody catch that moving gold? Really? Congrats, man. If you guys caught that gold move, I mean, honestly, you've done an absolute crazy trade, and all kudos to you, man. That's an awesome trade. Trying to get into that gold trade for the long, I mean, that's you gotta really have some big heart to kind of get into that trade. I mean, it doesn't really matter if it's an eval on a funded account, but I mean, just generally speaking, like on a hindsight, it kind of sounds easy to kind of just, oh well, you know, I could have easily gone long, right, you know, at the 85, but it was really difficult, right, to get long right off that 85. Anyways, you guys did enter long, and that's great job, good stuff. Now I'm gonna look for a little pullback in NQ now. We'll see if you do that. Let's try to get this pullback in NQ, guys. I don't know. I still favor a pullback into the 100. Retest the 100. I don't know.
Order submitted.
We'll see how that goes. It could be a tough one with the way it's kind of holding. All right, guys. Let's see, man. With the way it's getting a bounce in gold, I kind of feel like maybe we you know, we're kind of overstretched here, so maybe a little pullback in the NQ, maybe, you know, definitely doable. We're definitely overstretched, but it's also pretty overstretched, but it's still bullish overall, right? So we may get a little pullback here down, but that could be easily bought as well. So I'm gonna have to be a little careful here on how I trade. Scalps, sure, man. Over $600. That's great, man. Awesome. Awesome. All right, guys. I'm getting a small little pullback here. Let's see what happens. Let's see, guys. Oh my god, we kind of held that EMA. Oh dear. Can the gold hold? Are we just gonna rip gold? That I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. Oh shoot! Woo! I almost fell off the chair. I almost fell off the chair. I almost broke my back. I hope you guys didn't see that. Oh my god, guys, man, can you imagine if I actually ended up going long? on that gold, I would have been absolutely smoked. I want a short gold, by the way, right now. Let's try to short this gold with
order
three contracts. Okay, three contracts.
Filled.
order
Order filled.
All right, guys,
order
three contracts
submitted.
here.
Order
Three
Order
contracts
filled.
shorting gold. And I'm gonna place my hard stop here.
order submitted.
You guys know
order
the drill.
Submitted.
Place my
Order
hard stop
submitted.
here. Oh my god, we're already getting a bounce. As soon as I enter, it's getting a bounce. Great, good stuff, StockTiger. You've done a fantastic job in trying to short this gold, and the gold was baiting StockTiger, waiting for me to enter a long trade, and it's like, oh baby,
Order
it's
filled.
time to go. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, look at that, guys. I'll pull back in the NQ.
Order canceled.
Oh no. Oh no, what am I gonna do now, guys? I'm gonna have to exit this gold trade. This gold is making me feel very uncomfortable, to be honest. Alfred, do not chase gold. Yeah, I know. Oh, guys, man, what is up with this gold?
Order
So NQ.
submitted.
NQ pulling back here, guys. I'm gonna place my hard stop here at 102. And I would like to...
Order
Oh,
submitted.
man.
Order submitted.
Now, let's see, guys. I'm gonna
Order
place my hard
submitted.
stop. Sorry, my TP as well. But we are getting a bounce, man. Wow, all the money I made in NQ. This gold is moving, guys. I don't know.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Let's try.
Order
Order filled. Order filled.
order
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
order submitted. Order submit. Order submit. Order submitted.
I'm just giving it back to gold. All the money I made in NQ. Good stuff, man. I'm gonna try and exit my trade in gold. Let's see if I can actually do that right now, guys. Oh man, I'm just this gold could actually end up ripping, right? So I better be careful with this gold, man. This gold is a different animal, right? It's a different monster. I'm looking for a quick pullback in this freaking gold. I don't know if I'm going to be getting that though. I'm placing all my limit orders as close as I can from my entry, but oh my god. Let's try to see.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Man, I could be in real
Order.
deep trouble.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Come on, just a small little pullback here, please, man. Come on, gold. A small little pullback down. Small little pullback, please. Let's just give it to me. You've got to be kidding, guys.
Order.
Order
Oh, there you
filled.
go.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
There we
Order.
go.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I exited that
Order
trade.
filled.
Holy man, that was a real mochaccino. In the lead, let's go, baby. Woo! Wow, StockTiger on the move. Oh my god, what a perfect what a perfect exit on my gold. Ooh, man, that was a lot of fun. Holy. All right, guys, double top here in the NQ. What do you guys think? I'm not gonna trade this gold anymore, man. Just gonna leave this gold as is for now. I know, Alfred, man. I almost got a heart attack. Tell you that much. All right, I wonder what this NQ is gonna do. Maybe a little pullback down. It almost kind of feel like this could be a double top here, and maybe pull back down into the 90s. I think maybe doable. I kind of like this. This is kind of setting up for a little push down, but overall pretty relatively strong. But wow, look at this, man. Look at this. A gold back into 4,005. Yeah, the gold is definitely very strong, right? Very popular here, guys. Oh my god. Thank god I'm out. Woo! No, it's crazy, guys. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. Thank you, Fiber Splice Gold. Thank you so much, brother. You are the man. And by the way, guys, you got another giveaway happening right now as you speak. Go ahead and type in the Tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on this giveaway now. Don't forget to smack the like, guys, as well. It takes a few seconds of your time to support the stream. Thank you so much. Yeah, man, good. Wow, I got a little lucky in that gold, right? I found a perfect time to exit my trade in gold. But now the problem is, what is up with this NQ? Are we gonna get a little pullback down? A big question. Please restart the giveaway. What does that mean? Oh my god, what happened? Hold on 1 second, guys. How do I resume entries? All right, giveaway. I think it's open now. Oh yeah, okay, I see what you mean. Okay, yeah, I reopened. God, I suck at these. Let's see if you guys are gonna get tickets, guys. I think it's working now, I guess. Let's see if you're gonna get all right, you guys are getting points. Okay, that's fine. All right, so here the market trying to get a bounce, but again, it looks very fragile here at 105. I still am leaning for a little more pullback down. I like to, yeah, maybe it's, I don't know, man. It's tough. Maybe I should exit my trade. I don't know. Maybe I should. Maybe not. I kind of prefer to short gold, but maybe I'm doing the wrong thing. I don't know. Yeah, the gold is kind of like right in that pivot here at 4,009. Guys, I'm gonna try and short.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try and short
Order
NQ,
filled.
guys. I've got 3 mini contracts right now. I'm gonna try and short
Order
this NQ,
submitted.
guys. And I'm gonna look for a pullback down. Let's see.
Order submitted.
Let's see, guys. I'm shorting NQ. If we get a bounce, then I'll exit my trade. Right? If we get a bounce back into 120, I'll probably end up exiting my trade. So we'll see, guys, what happens now. Maybe that's not a good idea. Well, we'll see. We'll see. Maybe I'm on the wrong side. The market is still pretty bullish, right? So maybe that could be a little mistake, I guess. The gold trying to rip, right? The gold is trying to rip for sure now. Look at that gold, guys, trying to get above this pivot. It's above the 10 now, so. I want the NQ to pull back at least into the 95, guys. That's my ultimate target. I don't know. With the way the gold's getting a pump, guys, we could see a little pullback in NQ, right? I don't think I'm not really asking for too much. All right, guys, one got triggered now. One got triggered. Toxic, what is going on, brother? Good to see you back again. It's been a long time, man. How's it going? How did you do for the month of October, brother? ND, man, what up? Venki Deep 44 Punisher. All right, guys. This is man. We had to pull back and we just actually got to bounce off that EMA now. Incredible. Pissed me off. All right, so here we're getting a bounce. We got to bounce off that EMA, which obviously seems bullish, but I want to try and peel my profit, second profit off the table on that 104. If you get a small little pullback down, and then I'm going to look for a flush down into the 95s. This could definitely be a risky trade, right? Because overall the market's still bullish, right? So is that Trump announcement related to maybe an attack to Venezuela? Maybe, you know what I mean? Maybe attack to Venezuela could be the one. I don't know, man. I don't know if that's a good news. You know, maybe it is. I don't know. But there's definitely something going on between US and Venezuela, right? That could be a little bit of a war happening there. I don't know if that's going to be negative or bullish, but
Order filled.
Order filled.
all right, guys, one more got filled. I'm down to one now, which is great. What a great Sunday night, guys. We still find a way to trade. We still find a way to trade, guys. No matter how market is slow, fast, it doesn't really matter. We still bank every day, guys. Good stuff. I like that. You can only have one ticket, guys. One ticket. All right, guys. Here I am. I'm doing
Order
one.
filled.
I want to try and short this gold, guys.
Order
Order filled.
order
Order filled.
Maybe it's not a good idea. I don't know.
order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Oh my god, now we're gonna get a pullback in gold in Q. I wonder what this gold is gonna do though.
Order filled.
All right, guys. I just went short gold, and
Order filled.
I'm peeling obviously profits off the table along the
Order
way.
submitted.
Let's see how it goes, guys.
Order
I'll
canceled.
exit that trade as
Order.
well now.
Order filled.
Not bad, guy. Yeah, not bad. Hey, man. Not bad. I mean, the market's definitely slow, but we are still finding a way to trade with this slowness in this market, in this chart world. We're still able to trade, so that's good. I can't ask for anything more, right? It's been fun. It's been fun so far. I like it. All right, so here are the gold and NQ both pulling back as we speak, guys. This is a pretty interesting level now because gold, we are right at the pivot, right? Major level of resistance in that 4,011 area. That's a major level of resistance, right? So if you can get above that now, then we have some kind of a pullback due. And NQ, the same thing. If we can hold this nice little trend line support that we have here and that EMA in that 26,100 level, which is right here, right now, then I think we have some kind of a pullback right here. So if we are able to hold this, then we get a nice little pop back up again. But if not, then I think we're in trouble. NQ. This is definitely going to get very, very interesting. 26,100, guys, on NQ. That's a big level, and on gold is obviously 4,010 in that area. So we'll see, guys, what happens now. I probably prefer to react after the fact that it's done, making the move. Either we hold the support or we, you know, get rejection of that resistance. Either one of the two. You know, but just keep in mind, guys, the overall market is only up about a little over 0.25%. That's 100 points, quite significantly high. But from a grand scheme of things, I think the short-term pullback is still not over yet. It looked bullish, but we're only up like 0.25% now. So I don't know. Tomorrow's gonna be a very interesting day for sure. I think we're gonna get a lot of news overnight as well. So far, guys, this micro scalping is kind of working out nicely, right? I've been doing a lot better micro scalping the market lately. So, and using the 150 ticks chart, I've been pretty solid so far. So I'll take it, guys. It's been it's been offering me a lot of payouts. So. And once again, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream, baby. Woo! Thank you so much, everyone. Good stuff, everybody. I'm kind of waiting right now. I'm kind of waiting to see what this market is really trying to do. And for the trolls, I'm keeping an eye on you, baby. I know you're watching me right now. I'm watching you, trolls. I'm watching you. I told you. The giveaway's already started. What are you talking about? Giveaway's already started. Check the Streamlab banner on the YouTube chat right now. It says Apex 300k account giveaway for ST fam, which is StockTiger fam. The raffle is going on right now for viewers. Use that code to enter. The trolls are kind of like, a little quiet today because everything is green. I purposely try to get some red to get the trolls out and talk about StockTiger, but I guess I don't know what to do now. Oh well, it is what it is. You know what I mean? Alright, guys, the market is really slow. Holy man, what the hell's going on right now, everybody? What is up with this gold? Gold getting a little pullback here, guys. Oh my god, look at that gold. Back into the 4,000, guys. And NQ is breaking down as well. Incredible. Both pulling back here, gold and NQ. None of it to hold. Muy bien, amigo. ¿Cómo estás, brother? How's it going, man? ¿Cómo estás? No pasa nada, brother. No pasa nada. Everything is cool. All right, man. We are getting that rejection, a big fat rejection of that 26,100, guys. We are pulling back underneath that level now. Yeah, man. I'm not an ICT trader, brother. What is ICT? What is ICT? No idea. I have no idea when is Trump talking, man. He's been supposed to be on a call right now, but what is he actually gonna be on call, or is he actually gonna come out and talk, or what is he gonna do? I don't know, man. I have no idea. I don't know. Is Trump actually coming out and talking? I don't know if he's gonna come out and talk. Anyways, while we wait for this market to do its thing, let's just take a look at our beautiful payout that I requested here, guys. Hey, guys. A beautiful payout that I requested here, everybody. Let's take a look, guys. Yes, baby. Look at that, guys. Express account. $2,300 of payout request made tonight live in front of all my fellow traders. I love you guys. Thank you for your support. Luckily, the Project X ended up working out and we made the $150 that we needed to get to a payout tonight, and we did it. We did it again and over again every day. Thank you so much. And then guess another one here today. Right before the stream started, I requested $890. This is after split on my funding ticks account. It is also looking pretty good. And I've got another one I'm going to be requesting tomorrow morning. That's another $890 after split on funding ticks again. More and more coming up. We'll see how it goes. All right, guys. Now, okay. So now, guys, this market's trying to hold.
Order submitted.
Oh, guys, I went long here on NQ. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It missed my entry, guys. I placed my limit order at 95, and then it kind of got missed. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit that trade.
Order canceled.
I just ended up canceling my limit order. I did not like the fact that it just kind of missed out. All right, guys, I'm gonna try long here, guys. Let's see.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
All
filled.
right, guys, I'm
filled.
long on NQ.
Order
Order filled.
Yeah, I think that bounce. I kind of feel like we held that level. Yeah, let's see. We held. Let's see if we can actually continue moving back up again. Try to retest the 123. All right, I went 4 micro now. 4 micro contract right here, right now. Yeah, tomorrow's definitely gonna be a long day. I've got a lot of accounts to trade. I've got to trade my listed accounts. I've got to trade my funded next accounts. I'm trying to pass my funded next accounts as well, both legacy and the rapid ones. And yeah, I've got quite a few funded accounts that I've got to trade to get to more payouts as well. So a lot of work, a lot of stuff. I got to get through a lot of accounts. Trump talked about Mexico revolution coming due to yesterday's assassination of the... Hey, one second, guys. Who? Really? One second, guys. There's an assassination right now. Oh, that's not the president. I think that's the mayor, right? That's a Mexican mayor, I think. That's not a president. You surprised me for sure, man. I think that's the mayor. Oh, there's really nothing on that funded next. I loaded some accounts a few days ago. Where's that account? Yeah, so I made over $1,000 on one account, and I also made $600, little less than $600 on that both rapid accounts, and I bought another 3 accounts for Nats Legacy, and I've got to trade those accounts because I want to pass those and try to get to the funded account, because the legacy ones are still with unlimited payout cap, and that's with no consistency as well. That was the Halloween offer that I locked in some accounts, so I'm going to be trading those, and I want to pass all of the 5 that I bought. So we'll see how that goes. I think it's going to be a lot of fun trading funded next as well too. We'll see how it goes, guys. We got some big targets that we got to meet for the month of November. So what's their rule in payouts? Funded next. Let's just go through quickly the legacy plans, right? The legacy plans are target $2,500, and also the drawdown is $2,500 as well. There's no daily loss limit. There's no activation fee. It's a one-time. You're paying. if the Halloween offer is still up and running, you're probably gonna end up paying about $110, 120, between $110 to $120 on a legacy account, 50K, right? And then technically they have the 40% consistency. Well, they have the 40% consistency rule on their eval, and when you get to the funded stage, there's no consistency, right? And then they also, on top of that, got rid of their there's no payout cap on the legacy account. That's it. Really nothing else. And you gotta, I think, trade for 3 days on the legacy accounts too. Gold is ready to pump again. I don't know, man. I don't know. This gold is kind of like NQ's trying to pull back and gold trying to pull back all at the same time. So I don't know, man. Sounds like an out of business sale. Yeah, we'll find out, guys. But I do know that there's a lot of traders actually took. I don't know. I think there's a lot of traders on our Discord as well who took like a lot of payouts from. Look, this funded next, guys, $19,000, man. How do you even freaking do this? I have no idea. How do you do that? That's a pretty insanely. I think this is probably because of the what do you call this? The no payout cap. So maybe you probably got into like a quick gold trade, and this is what the market is gonna offer to you. Like, you know, you have $19,000 on funded next account. That's crazy, man. And then there's also some other traders also took quite a bit of payout through funded next. I did see that. I can't remember exactly where, but there's somebody who've taken a big payout on that funded next as well. I can't remember exactly who it was, but anyways, let's just go back to NQ. All right, guys, we are barely holding this level now. We kind of got to bounce off that 85, so maybe that's a good thing. But we really have to get above this 105, and that level actually have to hold. So this could be setting up for a pullback as well, right? This here, we got this, we got a bounce and get a rejection and start to pull back down. I kind of like it to the downside now all of a sudden. I don't know. I'm starting to like NQ to the downside, guys. I kind of feel like, you know, we're a bit of a change in the structure as well here. So I'm going to try and exit my trade on a bounce here quickly. Oh, by the way, guys, let's go through our giveaway. Let's just try to finish that off as well right now. Where's that again? I'm going to close the entries now. All right, I've closed the entries. I opened again. I opened again, guys. All right, slow grind to the downside. The gold trying to get a bounce, man. Monica, you're right. The gold is getting a bounce, and NQ is barely holding, guys, man. I kind of feel like I'm, well, you know what? I'm not going to be too concerned about NQ, to be honest, because if we get a pullback here, I'm just going to add, and I'm going to add, and then at the end, we got a nice little, I guess, average, and then, and look to exit my trade at break even, I guess, in the worst case situation. We'll see how it goes in NQ, guys. Still having a little tough time. Yeah, I'm not really too concerned. What's the deal on Apex? It's what's the offer we have? Oh my god, I've got to scroll all the way up again. I thought somebody shared. Anyways, yeah, the deal is you're paying 70% off right now, but the activation fee is like $40 or something like that. So that's actually, me personally, I don't like that, but yeah. All right, I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna close the entries now. Close entries. I close the entries. All right, guys. The entry is over now. I'm gonna have to call the winner. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna let you guys know who the winner is. Let's go, everybody. Good luck, guys. Tris 0461. Tris, you are the winner here, guys. Not guys. You are the here. You're the winner here. Oh my god. Are you here? Tris 04681. Shoot me a DM right after the streaming is over, and I will go ahead and take care of your price. All right, guys. Anyways, we are getting a nice little pump, a bounce back in gold, man. That's pretty significant. I wonder if I want to go long here in gold. Congrats once again, Tony Champ. You are the winner. Of course, I took care of your price, and we got another winner. This is Trace 04681. All right. I wonder what this gold is gonna do if I try to go long in this gold. Pretty interesting gold. Guys, once again, do not forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. Thank you, everybody. Yeah, I'm really tempted to trade gold, but oh yeah, for the new hour, yeah, 7 o'clock, sorry, 9 o'clock Eastern time. All right, guys, the market is honestly very slow now. I'm gonna probably have to just quickly try and finish this trade and just I guess, I don't know, maybe call it a day and try to come back tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be yet another big day because I think it's gonna be a very important we still have a lot of news coming out, right? Between China and the US. We still have some earnings coming out as well this week, so it's gonna be a lot of fun, a lot of stuff going on right now. So I know I don't know how to pronounce your name, but Irmis 636. I know, man. It always happens to me, right? It's the market's freaking slow, and then it's like, okay, well, we'll call it a day. We'll come back the very next day, and then the next thing happens. Obviously, the market moves like 100 points. I don't know why it's doing that all the time. Well, we already at the new hour now. We're at 9 o'clock at Eastern time, and this market's still not showing any signs of strength or weakness. It's kind of chopping in that very tight range, and so far it's not like I don't know. The only thing that makes me feel like something could move is the gold, right? I don't know if NQ is gonna move at all today. Or maybe it could be a little slow grind to the downside as well. After the bell tomorrow is Palantir. I did not take a look at the earnings calendar, but Alfred says Palantir earnings coming out after the bell. Yeah, you guys know what's gonna happen. Palantir right now, what is it? How much is it? Palantir? It's probably. Oh my God, Palantir $200 right now, guys. Wow. Palantir $200, man. I'll be very honest. When this Palantir was at like, I don't know, 50 bucks or something like that, I was kind of like going, okay, well, it's still very expensive. What a loser. At $50 Palantir, I was like, you know what, Palantir is really expensive. And right now it's sitting at $200. And what is it going to be tomorrow? Man, I have no idea. I wonder what it's gonna do, man. $200 Palantir right now, and I wonder what it's gonna do tomorrow. Like, I don't know, man. It's 230 after earnings. It could be 240 by the time it's said and done tomorrow as well. All right, guys, we are getting some kind of a move here in this market. Is this gonna be a bounce back up again?
Order filled.
Order
Order filled. Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Oh my god, that was a rejection there.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I just went really aggressive right now with the NQ because I'm gonna have a tighter stop. I'll probably net 80 would be my tight stop there. If we end up getting a pullback here, right? But that's why I've got a. I went a little aggressive in this trade. We'll see, guys, what happens now. So my stop here is gonna be in that 80 to 85 in that range. So if you get a pullback here into the 80s, then I'll probably end up exiting my trade. I went really aggressive. I've got 33 micros now. And the market's not doing anything so far. It's kind of like sitting in that range. Oh, there we go, guys. We are getting a pullback, which is freaking awesome.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I don't know. The market's really slow, so I was like, you know what? Let me just try to let me just try to go a little aggressive. We'll see how it goes now, guys. We're right at the edge. If you break it down, I think this is gonna flush really quickly here, all the way down. So I have a mental stop. I don't have a hard stop right now. We'll see, guys, if we get a bounce now or not. All right, I'm kind of looking at that 98 to be kind of like my target. I'll probably take bulk of the table right in that 98 area, and that's the EMA. So right here.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submit. Order submit. Order submitted. Order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submit. Order submitted. Order submit. Order submitted.
All right, guys.
Order
Here's my
submitted.
spider web. If you get a hard rejection here, you get a pullback, then I'll exit my trade in that 80s.
Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Yeah, this price action is pretty interesting now. Yeah, I'm looking for a quick pop here. I'm not really looking for that huge, massive move. But at least I'm down to like 26 contracts right here, right now. So, not as bad.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
I got 30 contracts now.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
We'll see how we kind of hold
submitted.
this.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, this could be a rollover. Oh man, we really better hold this 89. All right, we're trying to push it down. All right, we are pushing down, guys. Let's see how we hold this. I mean, if we can't hold this, then I think we go down, right? Gold pulling back here and NQ trying to hold. It's Pretty slow price action.
Order
Order filled.
order
Order filled. Order filled. Rejected.
order
Order filled.
order
Order filled.
order
Order filled.
order
Order filled.
order
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, all my orders got filled to the upside.
order
All right, guys, down to 5 contracts now. All right, not a bad trade.
order submit order
It kind of
Order
worked out in my favor, so
Order
I'll kind of
submitted.
take it.
order submitted
Yeah, I mean, could have been a better trade, but I mean, keep in mind this market is really choppy, right? So there's only so much you can actually take out of this market. I don't know. We'll see if the winner is gonna claim. Time change will affect. Yeah, you mean? I'm assuming you're talking about the daytime. Yeah, I think the daytime is kind of affecting the market. I think it will tomorrow as well. But it's you know, I mean, how much is it gonna really affect though? That's the question. I don't think it's gonna be as much. I wonder what the gold is gonna do, guys. I really kind of feel like gold could see a pullback down into this 97, 98. I'll exit that trade in NQ, guys.
Order filled.
I wonder if I want to trade gold, but oh man, we still have over 300 viewers. Oh my god, sorry guys, I didn't realize that. We got over 300 viewers right now. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. It takes a few seconds of your time to do that if you guys want to support the stream, and if you guys are enjoying what you guys see. Thank you everybody for all your support, your true support and love. It truly means a lot, by the way, and thank you. Yeah, no, I mean, and the market's pulling back. The gold, man, I have no idea what this gold is trying to do. We are trying to break out of this level, though. I wonder if you're gonna be able to hold. I think you probably end up getting a pullback in gold, to be honest, but I could be wrong. We really have to get above this 15, and that 15 actually have to hold. You need to get this beautiful reversal pattern back up and try to retest the 50, I guess, right? So we could get back to like 40-50, but we get his first thing first, and we got to get over 40-15, of course, before we try to do that, right? And then NQ is kind of like pulling back here, just literally giving back everything that we got. The gold is, sorry, not the gold, the NQ is down to 0.25%, which is 80 points now. We kind of give back how many points? We kind of give that 40 points back, and you guys know I try to shot on a pull on a bounce all the way at the top, and I said this could be a little nice double top here pattern, but I took my profits really a bit too quickly, you know, which is fine. Still $400 on that trade, but it could have been a lot more, right? But anyways, oh well, it is what it is. The NQ is sorry, the gold is back to the 4,000, so. Pretty interesting price action so far. I mean, I'm telling you, by the time I end the stream, guess what it's gonna do? We are gonna see some big moves in this market. And I'll be like chasing, I'll be in like FOMO, and I'll be back in trading, and you guys are gonna see me screenshot my bad trade. StockTiger lost an account. Woo! I could be FOMO, to be honest, man. Every time overnight, like, or really late to the day, the market starts to move. I don't know why, but I always get into a wrong side of the trade. Anyways, not always, but I mean, in a lot of cases. Other than the top step, the one I got into a trade a few, I think it was like four days ago. And that was a huge monster trade on 2 mini contracts. I took a trade right before the breakout. And that was the Trump and China meeting right before that. So I was like, you know what? We have a chance of a big rip to the upside. And that was like $2,500 profit on that trade a few days ago. So not a few days ago, last week. Mid last week when there was an Apex Summit taking place. And that was a lot of fun. Anyways, guys, coming back to this market. What the heck is this market trying to do? I kind of feel like, okay, well, you know what, guys? I'm a little bit more leaning bullish on gold. And I tell you why. When the gold is bearish, you're not gonna get this kind of a push down. Like, this is a pretty significant push, right? So at least we try to retest the 40-20, right? And that's what I'm kind of feeling right now, right? This push, this is not a retail traders, right? So I'm 75 all the way into the 40, so that's literally about 40 points pump in this market. You know, I kind of feel like at least we try to retest the high meaning try to break out and get back into the 20s, right? And then maybe get rejection of that level and maybe push it back down. But that's what I'm kind of thinking we do, right? At least back into the 20, right? That's the EMA. And if we break out of that level, and of course then we try to pump into the 50s. But anyways, NQ trying to hold on. NQ is trying to hold this 95, but again, still a lot of sign of weakness in NQ. Yeah, I don't know. NQ, yeah. NQ really has to get over 110. Right? We really got to get above 110. I don't know. I don't know if we have what it takes to get it bounce into that level now. We're kind of running out of volume too. We're kind of running out of volume. Not a lot of volume kind of stepping in as well right at this level. So no buying pressure pretty much at this point. NQ. Alexandro FNQ. I hate this. Well, yeah, it's a pretty awful price action. Maybe we could get something out of this gold trade. I don't know, the gold, but I don't want to take my chances in gold too right now. Not the right time. Maybe I'm gonna go take a little break, take a little rest, and try to come back stronger tomorrow, because tomorrow's gonna be a big day. I've got a lot of accounts that I've got to trade, so I think a great strong day tomorrow is gonna kind of set a tone on how my month is gonna go. We already kind of locked in some nice little payouts on the first day of the week and first day trading day of the month as well. We locked in the top step $2,300 today, and we locked in $900 of funding ticks payout today, and I'm going to be taking out another $900 of funding ticks payout tomorrow as well. And then we got some other stuff going on as we speak. We got Apex accounts kind of rolling in for more payouts, and we also have Tradify. Oh my god, guys, this login issues, man, just drives me nuts sometimes. right? So we got Tradify looking pretty good as well. Tradify, you know, this payout's coming out pretty soon for in the next few days. We got Tradify as well. So yeah, so Tradify, I've got over $8,000 of profit in this account alone, and this is going to be my 4th payout on this Tradify. So it's getting pretty close to going live, by the way. So I better, you know the drill, guys. I may have to screw up or something. I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. So there's a lot of things going on right now, guys. You got a lot of things, and yeah, a lot of fun. We gotta trade a lot of accounts too. So we'll see how that goes. But NQ trying to get a bounce. We got a bounce off that 95, so that's pretty good. So now we have to hold this level now to kind of give us a chance of a little bit of a bounce and a continuation to the upside and a retest of the high at 123. Definitely doable now, but we got to hold this level though. If we can't hold this, then I think we dump all the way back into the $26,000 60s. Maybe we fill the gap, guys. What about that? We never thought about that, guys. We could fill the gap. Well, we're not really too far off anyways, right? It could easily fill the gap to the downside. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we do that tomorrow morning. But what a strong bounce, man. Like, we are sitting right at that $26,000, right? And then now we are sitting at 26,100. So I don't know. I may try to swing trade overnight, maybe. We'll see how it goes. I may try to do that with my XFA account. You guys know I like to kind of play the long swings using the XFA accounts, but maybe it's not the right time to do that because we are kind of like right in that I would say you guys like to call it POC, point of control, and this is major level of resistance here at 26,123 as well. That's the initial high, right? Yeah, but looks like the market's trying to hold, but who knows what it's gonna do. You know, if we can get over 128, we could see ourselves back into the 180. So that's another 60 points from that level of resistance, right? We could get a bounce back into this level, right? So we had the high here, and we'll have another one here. We hit that ceiling there, and we could try to see this market get a bounce back into this level too. Right, that would be right in that 170 zone, right? 170, right? This kind of makes sense. I don't know what you guys think, but before we maybe get a pullback, maybe try to get a bounce back, right? I don't think this market actually got a bounce, 100 points bounce in this market today for no reason. Maybe something's cooking, right? So 100 points bounce in this market for a reason. And with that in mind, we probably at least try to retest the pivot here. I would say in this range. So I may try to long overnight. I'm not sure just yet. So I'm going to have to take a look at this. Keep an eye on this tonight and see how it goes. But we could get a chance of a bounce back into, you know, we retest this. We try to retest again. We try to pull back. And we try to rip. And then we higher low, and back here, right? And then from there, I don't know, maybe we pull back all the way down tomorrow morning. But, right, this could be definitely in the cards. I kind of like this idea. Right, I don't know what you guys think, but this is what I kind of feel like maybe doable. So we'll see how it goes. I'll keep an eye on this. The NQ trying to get a bounce right now as I speak. Let's take a look at the gold. Oh my God, gold. Oh my God, gold, guys. What is up with this gold right now? Wow, what an incredible bounce in this gold. We're getting a squeeze, guys. The squeeze is real. And I don't know. I don't think I want to be in any trades right now. Both NQ and the gold bounce. I'm so confused now. It's been a while since both actually got a bounce, right? So they're all both moving at the same time. And on the both direction, same direction. So incredible, guys. Anyways, guys, I guess I'm gonna have to call it here. I'm gonna have to call it here. But wow, we still have over 300 viewers, man. Over 300 viewers. Yeah, lots of good trades today. I'll take it. Yeah, but wow. Good luck, everybody. Tomorrow. Wow, I don't want to look at this market right now, guys. It's I kind of feel like I'm getting into a FOMO stage. So I'll see you guys back tomorrow, guys. Take care, everybody. Have a great night, and thank you guys for hopping into today's stream. As always, every day at 6 p.m. Eastern Time, I will be back. Until then, everybody, have a great rest of the night. Thank you guys once again. Take care and peace. Good night, everybody. Good night. Bye-bye.